Morning, LT. Good to see you here. Always first thing like that. Morning, LT. Morning, Ollie. Morning, Waleed. Morning, Techman. Good morning, McCain. Dr. McCain. Good morning, MH. How are y'all doing this morning? As you can see, those 5-minute buy stops I left you in last night have paid off amazingly well. Well, I'm hoping they have. Hope you guys listen to me. What's up, user? Some streams are having an issue. Oh, Lord. Which streams are having issues? Let's see. Nope, looks like we're still live on YouTube. All right. Who here saw the video from last night, and who here's in the money? And looks like we lost one. Wow, that's interesting. Here you go. Here's your money. And here are the calls. These are your calls that were made for you guys. I don't know where to how to put these things so you can see them. Maybe here. I do believe that's good enough for you to read. All right, so we'll keep those there. 5-minute buy stops what you were left in. If you would have listened to me on that call, you'd be up $680 on NAS. Looked like I went back to sleep. When I got back up, looked like it tapped out my US 30 where I had my stop loss in place. So we don't have a US 30. We do have US 30s though from last week. I kept one each open. I kept up one US 31 NAS and one SPX open from last week. And you guys, they call them runners, but you guys should be doing the same thing. Good morning, Jason. MH, do not ask any questions here about personal stuff like that again. Thank you. Go ahead and write a nicely worded email. And then if you've already had your one-on-one with me, Bri will let you in, but it needs to be a nicely worded email to Bri. And don't bring that up here. Thank you. We talk about group things here, not individual. I'm currently up $728. There you go. Which one are you in, McCain? That's great, Doc. Wow, where's it going? Who knows? 1 minute buy. Let's listen to Kimberly and see what we're doing on gold. This will be gold for you guys right here. Gold is I must be in the wrong area. 1 minute buy stop on gold. Let's call gold. 5-minute sell stop. 1 minute buy, 5-minute sell. 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy. Fill in the gap, 30-minute buy. Sell, 4-hour sell, daily buy. Well, that's the easiest can be, and that's it. That's all we got. All right. So there you go. Kimberly Harrington just called another one correctly for us. Thank you, Kim. Let's see. Who do we have good morning up to? Good morning, Kimberly Harrington. Good morning, Rashane. Wow, where's it going? Angela Taylor. Good morning, Mom. She's flying in. Mom will be coming to visit us tomorrow to Vegas. I'm excited. We're excited. I know she is too. Bri loves her mom so much. Good morning, Travis. Good morning, McCain. If McCain, you can tell me which one you're in, NAS or US 30, that'd be awesome. Morning, Dennis. Morning, Jason. I have 2 in NAS and 2 in. Yo, nice, McCain. Awesome. John Lee, good morning. And Keith, NAS, boom. Good morning. Good morning, Keith. There was a little misunderstanding going on in the Discord, and I tried to delete those messages, but everyone here needs to be extremely thankful to Keith Palmer and Spidey. They're the coders who are making our scanner room unmatched, unparalleled. It's not just unbelievable. There's nothing in our at all that anyone's ever made that would look like this or do this. So long story short is, instead of questioning and saying things, people are sometimes so ungrateful to me. I'm about ready to boot you out of the damn Discord. But anyway, instead of thanking Keith and appreciating all the work he does, one of our members who's within seconds of being banned, but I took out his messages and said, oh, this isn't working, without them understanding that unless there is a new weekly formed after he reset the servers, there's going to be nothing found. So I didn't even bother answering this person because, well, he was annoying the living hell out of me. But yeah, this is the calls I left you in last night. Who here is in a call that I left you in last night making money? Anyone at all? This is what I left you with at 8 o'clock last night. I believe it was 8:30, something like that. US 30. Well, I can tell you exactly where I have the thing up. US 30, NAS 100, SPX, not SOX, 500, 5-minute buy stop. Also true, you have a 4-hour sell stop on all 3 indices. Also true, you have a daily buy stop on all 3 also, just so you're clear. Okay. And then I left you guys with the most amazing thing in the whole, something to do with Bitcoin too, by the way. Let me move these out of the way so I can get a little more color up here. All right. So let's put our little thoughts right there. So this is where we left you guys. I'm going to put this up here and this here. All right. Yes. So now maybe you can actually see what I have up. Yay. I'm going to have to put this down below here because it's just too long. Got to remember not to write long. All right. So we're all in the money, safe to say. Let's see. Why don't I see my... Go over to YouTube if you'd like to see some more rather than here. They're all up. They're all in the money. Now, where is my line at? Pull my nosies. Hold on a second. Let me take this off and see. Oh, there it is. That can't be the line. No. We had another line in since then. Well, where? There it is. No, that's not right either. Where the F is my other line at? Is it off the 15-minute? It is. Stupid floating charts never behave like they're supposed to. So this is at 306. Let's go back here to 306. 250. Oh, that was where I left you at? Well, damn, you made money twice on this sucker. Because you made a lot of money that first pull up then. Wow, is that right? I'll have to go back to the video and see. Okay. Well, anywho. Let's see. Morning, everyone. I got up this morning, got in both 15-minute buys. Travis was on the road coming home from a wedding, couldn't hop on the train. Awesome, Travis. A 5-minute call. Thank you, Kev. Thank you, Keith. You're the one who deserves thank you. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Moto. All right. So now that we're all making money, starting off our Monday, well, / Sunday night, who's happy with that shit? All right, let's take a look around and see what we can see. I'm going to go through a whole bunch while we're waiting. Oh, yeah, we're going to have more opportunities. Everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for doing that. And tell some of your friends because they're about to go up again. We're about to get some more. Well, we're about to make some more money, whether it's shoot fire. Now or in a second, we're about to be able to make some more calls. Okay. And do not post in Discord while I'm live. That's a quick way of getting you. Yes, payday. Okay, well, it's Keith. He's okay then with that one. Yeah, anything to do with the things, that's fine. All right. Let's see. We need to go into a whole bunch of things. Exciting news all the way around. We have a better, more improved, streamlined way of how we're going to handle the one-on-ones in the future. Well, they're small groups now, but it's going to be so blessed. Wow, it's going to be incredible. All right, we're going to whip through a whole bunch of reads. So everyone be ready. Can't wait for my one-on-one or group. Kevin, right? It's switching over to group quick. Good morning, Derek. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Kev. All right. By the way, for everyone on TikTok, just to be clear, and I want no misunderstandings, and everywhere else on YouTube and who watches this, not a financial planner. My YouTube channel is a safety trade. Please head over there and take a look at different things. You can see about 370, 380 videos. I don't even know what we're up to anymore. And there's that. Okay. Now, we're going to whip through a whole bunch of symbols. Just hang in there for a second. We already have our calls made. US 30, NAS, SPX, 5-minute buy stops. You're obviously in a shit ton of money on those. I'm doing okay with that too. So those are our trades right here. I'm going to pull it full screen so people on YouTube can see it all. Let's see. You're missing away from here. Well, that's terrible. These are my days and times in. 3-2, and today is 3-6. I'm holding these from then. I closed down my other 10 or so trades, and then this is the one from today. I had two open. I had one NAS and one buy stop on US 30, and evidently I went to sleep, and it tapped the US 30 stop loss, but it didn't tap my NAS, so that's why we're there. Okay, so there's that. Well, isn't that interesting? Well, anywho. Can you imagine $1,000 on an SPX trade? It's funny as fuck to me. All right. In the money on the gold. In the gold 1-minute buy stop. Hey, morning. Will today be a big day for NAS? I need some birthday money. Hey, what's up, T Mark? Already made some good money for you on your birthday. You're welcome. Yep, caught both those moves. No, good morning, Kev. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Nell. Good morning, T Mark. Happy birthday to T Mark. You're saying today's your birthday? Happy birthday, T Mark. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear T Mark. Happy birthday to you. Lock in your profits. As always, let one run if you have two open. All right. Now let's go ahead and make this. You guys are in the I got some big ass Bitcoin news for you. Very clear Bitcoin news for you, by the way. Buy stop. US 30, another chance to get in. We're going to drop one right here. Just wait. Don't get suckered into it, though. If you're not comfortable trading right now, don't do it. Buy stop filling the gap on NAS. Buy stop filling the gap on SPX. So here we go. Enough of those. All right. Now you're about to see gold. And I'm going to be doing Bitcoin. So all you Bitcoin crazies out there, we have some very, very distinct calls that I left you with in exact calls. When I say distinct, I mean exact. There'll be no playing around. I'm going to tell you exactly what Bitcoin's going to do. So when you're ready, tell 10, 12, 15, 20 of your friends, have them all watch. We're about to go live with that in just a second. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and do what? Gold. Gold. 1-minute buy stop. Gold. 5-minute sell stop. To where? To the blue line on gold. If you don't know what the blue line is, by the system, you'll know. 15-minute buy stop. Nope, it's going to go down. 15-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop on gold. Where? Place it above the blue line. If you don't know where that is, then buy the system so you can know. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4-hour sell stop, daily buy stop. The daily buy stop is the strongest one you're going to see. Let me take this off of here. Watch. It is absolutely perfection. I'll show you why. Price came over, arrow went up, came over, formed our logo, and it's going to go back up again. It's green, 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 red, green, green without a break, and it's shooting up. I think the only thing we need is the thing which we do not have. It's not going towards this blue line. That is an absolute perfection of a call on a daily. It's a broken sell stop. It is a perfect 30-minute buy stop again. Absolute perfection, but it's the second time it did it on the 30-minute. 15-minute buy, 30-minute sell, 30 minutes, I'm sorry, the 5-minute sells. 5-minute sells, also perfection. Red, 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 green, red, red, going to break. See, it started above, came down, arched back up. It's going to come down to its blue line on the 5-minute. So there you go. That is gold. Hope that helps you all out. Good morning, Lance. PDD is only for people using American brokers, by the way. Just so you know. Happy birthday to you. I bought Bitcoin last night, says MH. We'll go over that in a second. Nice, T-Mark. Yes, it is, because it's just made you a millionaire, in my humble opinion, and I'm allowed my opinion. All right, let's see what we got going on. All right, so that was gold. Bitcoin is next. Here comes Bitcoin. La-di-da-da-da-da-da-da. Whew. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Here we go. Five-minute buy stop on Bitcoin. 1 hour sell stop on Bitcoin. 1 hour sell stop on Bitcoin to the blue line. 5-minute buy on Bitcoin. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. So a 1 hour sell stop to the blue line. What is doing? Yeah, it's just working its way over to drop. It's going to hit the 4 hour, then drop. But anyway, then it is a complete and utter 100% clear daily buy stop. You can't see it because you don't have enough good stuff on Bitcoin over here, but I can pull it over here. We can go to daily. It's absolutely perfect. You don't see the red line right here, but it's there on my other charts. If you can see this right here. And that's why if you go to YouTube, you'll see a lot better stuff. But anyway, this is it right here. You have green, 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 red, green, green, and up it goes. It's utterly fantastic. Utterly fantastic. Utterly. The daily buy on Bitcoin is, it's not only just fantastic, it's perfection. Came under. We had our green arrow come up, forming our logo. Once called that one with the buy, calling today also a buy sometime this week, whatever the fuck it's going to break. I have no idea when the actual time happens. Well, sometimes I do when we're doing 1 minute, 5 minutes, but that's beside the point. Green, 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 red is the pattern. This is staying green. This is going to the blue line. This is absolutely a buy stop. If you want to be aggressive, I'll tell you some Bitcoin numbers. 22,896.39. Not so aggressive, 24,050. Where's it going to? Somewhere in the range of 26,531 or more, or 25,467.52 or more. Now, don't get your excitement up too much, because eventually you're going to see Bitcoin drop. Why is it going to drop? How is it going to drop? Well, because we're in a complete opposite for weekly. Weekly sell stop, distinct sell stop. Red, 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 green, red, red. Here it is. We don't even have enough memory on this one because it's my computer I have for Vegas. Going down to its blue line on a weekly. So depending on how you want to play this, sell stop Bitcoin. You can do very aggressively sell stop Bitcoin 20,000. Well, just make it 20,000. Much less aggressively sell stop Bitcoin 15,131. Can Bitcoin go down to, and should Bitcoin go down to 9,700 and below? Yes. Should Bitcoin go down to 12,430? Yes. Will it? I don't know. When you get to the weekly levels, they get to manipulation that's beyond comprehension. An example of that would be the U.S. government buying back oil at, I have no idea what the hell it's buying back oil at, $72, $80, whatever it's doing on a basis now. But it doesn't matter. We're still going to make money either on that buy on Bitcoin or the sell. We'll get it. And it's still 1 hour sell Bitcoin. Okay, let me go through the specifics to you. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me get over here. Buy stop US 30. 1 minute. Buy stop US 30. 1 minute. Ho. Let me go over here real quick. Stay way right here. Hey, wait. All right. Now let's go back over to here. If you're on YouTube or TikTok, I'll pull you back over manually. There we go. Okay, guys. Now that was US 30, NAS, SPX Gold. I got to really pick up the pace. I'm kind of going slow here. All right, Bitcoin 2. XRP. Own XRP. I'm not a financial analyst, but if I was, I'd own XRP. Oh, look at the little buy stop. Beautiful. XRP, where are you going to? 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute buy. 1 minute buy stop XRP. 5 minute sell stop XRP. Don't know the rest. Don't give a fuck about the rest. There you go. Ethereum, ETH is a buy daily, completely buy. Green, red, green to the daily blue line's been doing it for a while now. Buy, stop, Ethereum, daily chart. Sell, stop, one. It's the same thing. They're always the same. Sell, stop, 1 hour, Ethereum. 30 minute. There you go. 1 minute up. Yep. Buy, stop, Ethereum, 1 minute. 1 minute to the 5 minute blue line. You're going to see Ethereum go up to here and or past it. 1576.10 or 1571, somewhere in there. That's where Ethereum is going, to be specific to you guys. So there you go. If you don't know what any of this means, then buy the system so you do. Oil, US oil. Sell stop already, but we're kind of late to that party. Yep. There is a buy stop to oil, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to oil, which you kind of can get back into, I guess. 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 30-minute 1 hour buy, 30-minute 1 hour buy. So 30-minute buy, 4 hours. Is it going to the 4 hour line? It is. 4 hour buy to the blue line, 1 hour buy to the 4 hour blue line right there. And then if you don't want to do any of that stuff, just wait. It's going to be a daily sell stop, and that'll probably break this week again. So there you go. That's oil. And if you don't know, if it seems like, oh, he's saying buy and sell, I am. There's different timelines, different things. They always form on the smaller time frames first and work their way up. That's how it works. Next up is GBBJPY. GBJPY. I love GBBJPY. You got a lot of bang for your buck. Oh, nothing we can do with that one. You're too late. Too late. Looks like it's going to be a 15-minute sell. Nope. This must have been a 30. 30-minute sell stop. Too late on this. Beautiful. Where's it going to? You're about to see JPY go somewhere in the neighborhood. I've been calling that, since last week. GBJPY is going to go down to 162.688 or all the way down here to 161.950. GBJPY was a sell. I really can't help you on that. It's you're too late. You're getting table scraps. But at any rate, if you do an option, maybe if you can do. Matter of fact, I don't remember if GBJPY though is on. I think it is on GBBUSD is. But at any rate, GBBJPY, if it's on Nadex, you can do an in the money sell stop. You could do one daily and you'll make money on that. I'm 99% sure, but not 100%. No one is. And I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for fun. Laugh my ass off. All right. Yeah, that's GBJPY. Let me see if I can get you something longer, though. 4 hour. There is a 4 hour buy, which, again, you're kind of whatever, and a daily sell. Beautiful daily sells it going down. Oh, yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'm going to put one in on this. Hold on. Right here. I don't want to get caught up in that shit. All right. Don't forget about your buy stop in US 30. Let me go back to there for a split second. Buy stop US 30, 1 minute. Matter of fact, let's trail these down a little bit here. And just wait. If this switches and goes to sell, that's cool. What is our sell in the 4 hour? It is. So if you really want to be aggressive, we can put in a sell stop. And we can move it. Let me see where we're at on this. Ooh, right there. I'm going to leave one here. Right there. Sorry, setting something up. Okay. GB ODG, GBB ODG, GBB AUD, GBB AUD. It is a 1 minute sell. Where's it going to? Yep, 1 minute sell stop. GBB AUD, GBB AUD is going down to its blue line right here. 1 minute sell stop. Then what's it doing? 5 minute, 15 minute buy. 15-minute buy stop. Let's see. Nope, not going there. Yep, definitely 15-minute buy. If you don't want to play that 1 minute, then don't. I don't see anything here. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Still a fill in the gap though. Well, still an arch. Hold on. It's going to be a 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy. So the 5 minute buy to me is a stronger play. Let's just see. We'll pull it full around some. I don't mind. These are 0.09s. Doesn't matter to me at all. Let's see. We have a GBB ODG buy. GBB ODG buy. Okay. Next up, we have GBB USD, GBB USD, GBB USD sell stop, GBB USD. Let's see. 5 minute sell. Oh, before that's going to occur, there's going to be a 1 minute buy to the blue line. Then there's going to be a 5 minute sell down, 5, 15 buy, 15, 30 minute buy. If you don't want to do any of those lower time frames that get too confusing for you, 30 minute buy stop, GBB USD to the blue line, by the way. Nice little, it's the second time it's happened, but still to the blue line. I wouldn't worry with those lower levels, then just wait and then do a buy stop on GBB USD. Then there's a sell here. 4 hour must be a 4 hour. It is 4 hour sell and daily. So any which one of those, they all form an order. So if I call the 1 minute, it's going to form first. The 5 minute will form second. The 15 minute and so on. If you don't want to do any of that bull crap, 4 hour sell stop and just wait. So you can do a 1 hour, 4 hour. They're just patient. Good luck on that. No one has patience. Well, the ones who actually have patience make money with any kind of system, but ain't right. GBB CAD, GBB CAD, GBB CAD, 1 minute buy. 5 minutes going to be a 15-minute sell. No, it is not. 5 minute? Nope, not clean. 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30 to where? 30-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 1 day buy. So it's going to go up and touch the blue line on a daily again. This is, what is this? GBB CAD, GBB CAD. Buy stop. 30-minute buy. 5 minute sell. GBB CAD. 5 minute sell, 30-minute buy. GBB Chef, GBB CHF, GBP CHF. Okay. We have sell stop 1 minute. Doesn't look strong. I don't know about that one. Don't do that. 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. Oh, we missed one already. 1 hour. Yep. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, that's fine. 4 hour. Daily, weekly, daily. Oh, sell. Okay, this one I'm going to call out high time frames only. 4 hour buy, daily sell. 4 hour buy. That means above the blue line on the 4 hour right here. If you don't know what that is by the system, sell is right below here like that. You can see that a mile away. All right. GBB New Zealand. Let's see if there's anything good we can call in a smaller time frame. Sell. Where's it going to? 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. GBB New Zealand. 5 minute buy. 5 minute buy. 5 minute 15 stronger is a 5 minute buy stop above the green line here, and then it's a buy. It's a dirty buy, but it actually turns into a nice clean one right here. Yep, bouncing off, going up to where? Already did it. We called this last week. Yep, already did it on the 4 hour. Yep, are we going daily? Not yet. Looks like that is a daily, weekly, monthly. All right, daily sell stop if you want to do that. I wouldn't. It's going to take forever. Good luck with that one. And ERUSD. Finally, we're going to end on ERUSD. Our last one we're going to be looking at, unless you guys call something out, will be ERUSD daily buy stop. Daily 4-hour sell. 15-minute buy. You're already in the money. You can't do anything about that. It's too late. And Kim called these out this morning, so she's in the money, I'm sure. Nothing we can do. It's going to the 30-minute blue line, though, if that helps Kim. It's already touched the 1-hour blue line. I don't know. I guess that's what I'm going to call on that one then. Daily buy, weekly sell, ERUSD. Daily buy, weekly sell. And the weekly sell is silly because it's going to be forever. You can make thousands and will make thousands and thousand pips between whatever happens and goes forward on that shit. So anyway, all right. We called out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different symbols. Like most mornings. Usually I was calling 22, but I forgot why I took some of them out of there. But anyway, I'm going to go over why they look like that. And then we're going to go back over our indices here. Let's take a look at SPX. 1 minute. Buy. Oh, what the hell? We'll pull one in up here. Safe out of danger. Put it up here at 4,057.07. Be a little more aggressive. Drop it down here and have fun with this and wait. That is SPX 500. NAS. Also, same thing. Buy, stop 1 minute. You can be aggressive or not. Don't get too aggressive in NAS. That'll come back to bite you. I'll explain why there's a difference, but one is much more better than the other. Non-aggressive, 12,357.93. Much more aggressive is below that, but I'm not calling that number for you. Yep, we're going to put this right here. Trading, buy, stop, and just wait and see what happens here. Let me see the 5 minute real quick. Oh, good. Yeah. Where are my timers yet again on these silly, driving me bonkers? Why are my candle timers always missing on this thing? Fudgicles. All right. What's up, Rhinus? Good morning, Goose. Lance, yes, it is. Morning, Ray just went over SPY. 4,000 pips to the blue line daily would be amazing. Says Travis. Good morning, Tanny. Morning, Sean T. Bree still sleeping. Never traded Bitcoin for. Is it like, no, it is not. It's a horror show. Do not trade Bitcoin on this. Go trade Bitcoin somewhere else. Do not trade Bitcoin on MetaTrader 4. The everything's too much on it. It drives you nuts. The commission, if you ever left it in with the swap fee, it's a horror show. It's just terrible. Hey, brother, that last US 30 call Friday, I recovered all lost, 9,000 up, 6,000 profit. Thank God. Thank Bach. Now you're starting to talk, Metal Mind. Awesome job. Please be careful when you start to go away from the system because you will get burnt. Way to go, Metal. Thanks, Keith. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Kenny. All right. Now, I made calls on, what did I say, 15 different symbols. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's go ahead and post this up real quick so everyone can see things. We're going to come right over to here. These people are idiots. So whatever. All right, anybody have any questions, ask away. Otherwise, hopefully you guys are on TikTok reading away and everybody on YouTube's reading away. All those little things I left up. Okay. Now, let's see what we shall see. Da, 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 da. All right. So it says right here, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for fun, demo only. And remember the rules. I cannot recommend you trade anything. I can trade. Oh, that reminds me of a story. So I don't know if you guys remember hearing me saying over and over again ad nauseum that I have several. I have 7 different now. 7 different. Want to hear a funny story? Oh my God, you guys will laugh your ass off. So I have 7 different live accounts in Eagle FX, 2 on Hugo's Way, and blah blah blah, a whole bunch of different accounts. Well, one of my Eagle FX accounts platform is Eagle FX, and the size of my trades are usually 0.09. Sorry. All right, so I did so many trades on Friday. Oh, don't block him, Metal Mind. Don't block him. Keep him so he's not blocked, and keep it so that you can keep reporting him, please. Sorry. Maybe you can unblock him. But there he is right there. But yes. Yes, the stove is hot. So Metal Mind. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Tony. But yeah, here's a funny story. You're gonna laugh, laugh, laugh. Watch this. Yeah, everyone this guy over here that he's talking about report him every time. Right there. Beware of scammers. We will never contact you first ever. That's the rule that we have here. We don't go looking for business. We have so much business. You guys contact us hundreds of times a day. So trust me, we're okay on that. We don't contact you first ever. This clown right here is still up somehow, but I'm making a whatever patent. He's going to get it soon enough. And whether, anyway, let's go back to my funny story. Here we go. Funny story time. Quickly, too. You're going to see that. Oh, let me pull this up to NAS 100 real quick over here. There we go. Buy stop on all 3 indices, just so we're clear. So this is I have 7 different MetaTrader 4 live accounts with Eagle FX. So I trade this one, or I'll trade that one, or I'll be in here, I'll be in there. Well, I have one that had $6,000 in it. I don't even remember putting the money in there, but whatever. So I had $6,000 in this account, and this one of the smaller ones. But anyway, so one of the accounts, and I forgot about it, and I had it open on another computer I have over here. I have 3 computers, believe it or not, even though I'm in Vegas. I forgot. We should take that off for you guys. Sorry, hold on. Well, we can show that, I guess. Why not? There's our Discord, and there's the thing over there, and that's where I watch you guys' comments. So anyway, 3 different computers. So I open up trades left and right, and I'm looking at one and doing things. Well, on the $6,000 account, I forgot I had opened up a trade. It was last Friday, and I made I think it was $800 something dollars. And then I had opened up another one I remembered, and I did. That was a few $100s. Well, no. Happy early in the week. That was Tuesday, because last Friday with a trade I had left open on Friday. I forgot that I had opened the trade. It was a US 30 trade too, with no stop loss, no nothing. It just opened up. And then I looked at it over the weekend. I had received a daily trade thing, and I was like, what the fuck do I have a daily trade alert for from Eagle FX for this account? Well, it ends up that account, I made $440 on a trade Friday, an additional 400. So that $6,000 account I had started the week with was up to 7,996 or something. I'm in there now. So $8,000. I didn't even know I had made $440 on a trade that I had made on Friday in one of my Eagle FX accounts. I literally forgot that the trade was open, literally didn't even check on it. And I was up $440 in that trade. I don't recommend doing that. US 30 could have blew that whole account out, right? But yeah, that was kind of funny. Does anyone else think that's funny? No, TikTok problem is clear. Rhino Metal Mine, right? What's up, Steve? Wally said, talking about that, did anyone get banned for commenting on his videos? How can you get banned? No, that's crazy if you did. All right, so no one thought that was a funny story? 10 minutes to market open, 10 minutes to market open. Buy stop across the board on all 3 indices. Also, to be clear, even though it's written out right here, there is a 4-hour sell stop across the board on all 3 indices. So hopefully you guys can see either or. Let me go back over now. All right, I thought that story was funny as fuck. I just thought that was so funny. I was getting a daily statement for a trade that I had forgotten about. I don't know. That just cracked me up. Okay, well, we're done with that. All right. Let me see something real quick. Okay. All right. Now back to trading. We have 10 minutes to market open. I don't know why. That's just so funny. Oh, shit. We haven't checked the scanners. Hold on. Let me check the scanners real quick. And then evidently I have a weird sense of humor. There we go. There they are. And all of their glory and all of the power. Our system is so exact that we have a scanner room. The scanner room alerts us to things. You can't see everything on TikTok, but I'll pull it in here in a minute. Matter of fact, we can pull this over here now. Zippity doo da. Zippity. My, oh my. How much money we're going to make today. Everybody on TikTok, tell all of your friends. Everybody on YouTube, tell 76 of your pens. All 100 of you or 150 of you, please tell everybody you know you're about to make more money on buy stops, probably anyways. In the next 10 minutes, you're about to see this thing go shooting upward. It may shoot downward first, but that's okay if it does. We already made a shit ton of money on this. How much money did we make? Who's ever doing the trade is up $630. How do you know? And how about these other trades right here? Well, because I'm in these trades. That's how we know. Da, 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 da. Someone else found that amusing. Why did no one else find that amusing? I don't know why. Oopsie. You're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on your NAS 100 buy stop. You're welcome. You can close that down, or if you have two, leave one open. You're in the money on your NAS. If you don't take that money, that's on you. Don't come back looking to me. I'm only making the calls. Up to you to make your own decisions as an adult. Try to do that wisely. Damn, I wish I had 76 friends. I don't even have that. Glad it went in your favor. I know, right? Kim's the only one comment. Danny B said, I thought it was funny. I would have dropped a brick. I know, right? I got banned for violating guidelines. I don't know what's wrong with TikTok. Yeah, I can't comment on that. When I'm done with TikTok today and we leave TikTok and we go to YouTube, I will tell you a few issues. I'll go over TikTok with you. What's up, RD? Oh, what's up, Steve? That's when you know you're that good. Well, that lucky, that good. I don't know about that. But yeah, I can't believe Wally had that happen to you. I'm so sorry, Wally. They're out of control over there. But I think the day of reckoning for TikTok is coming legally to them through our government, is what I think. Could be wrong. All right. All right. So we have a few minutes before market open. I went over 15 different symbols. Go back. Well, you can't go back. I'm live on this one. But just pay attention to those calls. They all should be okay for you, as long as, especially the big ones. Box, get out of here. Does anyone get mail that's not to them? We get it all the time. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. We get mail delivered to the one house in Georgia that's not even to us. That's never to us either, by the way. Okay, US 30. Let's see. You are definitely in the money on your US 30 trades. You're in the money on your SPS trades. You're in the money on your NAS trades. Close down all trades. How do I know you're in it? Because I'm in all those new ones. Close them down before market open. Do not leave them open. You're up hundreds of dollars. There's no reason to stay in these trades. Get out of the trades. How do I know? Because I'm in these trades. You see that money right there? $56, $81, $5, $16. All new, all closed down now. There's no need to stay in those trades. Make your money and get out. There's no need to stay in the trades at all. I just did those trades. You can stay in. You don't have to. If you have opened up two, stay in one, close the other one down, let it run. Okay. Now we're going to look at the scanners super quick, only because they're the best scanners, which we should thank Keith beyond comprehension for, and of course, Spidey, both of them. The scanners are unbelievably, amazingly accurate because they trade about 90% the way I do. Look at the scanners right here. We have a indices scanner room. We have a Forex scanner room. We have a crypto, which I would never trade crypto without this thing. Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, plus all these other ones down here. Matter of fact, we're trying to get to the point where we can expand the scanner room to all 250 symbols. I think it's over 120 right now. Watches. A scanner. It scans all the symbols to see if things can trade like me. Buy, stop on all three indices. Do not forget that. Trade stocks. It has your own dashboard. You can literally create which ones you want it to follow. Kevin is live now. 101 safety trade. The indices. The Forex. Look. New Zealand USD. We have a new one in the house. Boom, baby. New Zealand USD. You see this? It comes up with a banner, by the way. It comes up with this new symbol and it has a down arrow. What do you think it's going to do? Go up or down when there's a down arrow? It's saying the 1 minute is formed a 1 minute down, a sell stop. So New Zealand USD. Let's head over here and see. New Zealand USD. Let's see New Zealand USD. Let's see. I don't know where it is. New Zealand CAD. Oh, 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Buy, stop on all three indices. New Zealand USD is right here. Boop. And we have a buy stop to the blue line. That is the correct call. We have a 5 minute sell stop also. So put it down below here. Yep. And that's also on the scanner. So there you go. I have a feeling you're going to see a little spike up on New Zealand USD and then a play downward. That's how I would read this for you. So the scanner has made another great call. We're in the money again on your US 30. If you're not comfortable trading US 30, then don't. Buy stop US 30 1 minute. Buy stop NAS 1 minute. Buy stop SPX 1 minute. Let's have some fun, ladies and gentlemen. The showtime has come. The showtime. Live at the Apollo. Who remembers that show? Is it still on? Showtime. Live at the Apollo today. Should have been a little lower. We could have been getting clearer. 5 minute fill in the gap. Buy stop US 30. Boom. 5 minute NAS. Buy stop. 5 minute NAS. The only sell stop we have on the board right now is this one. 4 hour sell stop. All three indices. So if it comes crashing down a lot, get it in this one. All right. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My oh my, we're gonna make money today. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. What's up, Jamie? Hope is all well. Yes, Jamie, I hope all is well with you too. Thank you for saying that. Best system in the world. Who is your main broker? Lots of them. I guess the main would be Eagle FX. I have 7 accounts with them, 2 with Hugo's Way, 1 with Forex.com, 1 with Pepperstone, and I have demos in all those also each, by the way. Also, I have an account with Nadex. I have an account with Thinkorswim. I've had an account for Thinkorswim for like 30 years before they even were Thinkorswim. I've had an account with them, TD Ameritrade. It's so funny when I call into those guys. That's a story for an old person. I won't leave you with that one. All right. What else? Tradeovite. Have an account. Haven't funded it. Really got to get to that because I'm telling you, what's his face is telling me how much money I'm going to make. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Drop that down. What hours do you trade? All the time. Scanner time. Scanner time. Scanner time. We should have a song. Metal Mind Make is a scanner time song like what's his faces. Oh, by the way, I think we have a minute left for market open. Market open in less than a minute. You're already in the money. You're already in the money on your US 30 again. You're in the money on your US 30 again. Woo! Drop that down. MC Hammer. Hammer time. Damn, I hope so. TikTok has ruined so many minds. Personal opinion. Market is open. There we go. Let's see. We going down to the blue line on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Buy stop. NAS 100. Buy stop. SPX. Can't call, sell on the 1 minute level. These are all 1 minute. Buy, stop, US 30, 1 minute. You're in the money on your US 30 trades. You're a lot in your money on your US 30 trades. I'm sorry, your NAS 100s. You're up $100 on your NAS 100 trade. You're up $100 on your NAS 100 trade. $135 on your NAS 100 trade. You're up $120 on your NAS 100 trade, and you're up on your SPX trade, by the way, also. So take your money out if you're on your SPX trade. NAS 100 is up. You're in the money on NAS 100. You're in the NAS 100. You're up. Just wait. If it's going to go down, let it go down. We can't call it. We can only call it 4-hour sell stop, which is nowhere near where it needs to be. So if it's going down, let it go down. There's nothing you can do about it. Just let it go. Have fun and wait. It's called patience, my friends. You just made, I don't know how many pips that was, about 13 pips on your NAS, and you made about 20 to 30 pips on your US 30, depending when you got in it. Let it go down. And again, if you opened up 2 on NAS, close 1 down, keep 1 open on NAS. Oh, you made $140. Beautiful little trade. You're still up $20, $30, $40 if you kept it open on NAS. Just wait. And if it taps you out, by all means, get in again. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you why NAS is going, because it's a perfect safety trade. We'll move over here. You see that little bit right there? It is green, 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 red, green, green, and went straight up. Boom. Oh, that's not that much money. I don't know. That's 15 pips. Average professional trader makes about 10 a day. They just bet larger than we do. All right. Good greens to you all. Let's make some money. Yes, Ray, I agree. Jimmy Hustle said ES. I don't know what you're talking about. You're talking about E or USD. Look at the money. Look at all the money you're making. Woo! I'm going to go ahead and say it looks like US 30 broke to the upside, guys. Gee, how do we know this? How did you all just make $196, $205? Who just made $200, $200, 190, 149? Money, 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 money. You're welcome. There it is. Close 1 down, keep 1 open. Your money on your US 30. You're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on your SPX. You're in the money on every trade I just called. You're welcome. Thank you, Kev. How did you know it was going to do it yet again? I don't know. What's this right here, guys? What's the $200 right here you just made? The 230, the 90 cents, the $104. These other trades were from earlier last week, but the one this morning was $750 from this morning. Look at all that money you just made. Stare at it. Wonder again how we have a system that calls this shit out for you. Who in the world? Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it. Look at it. There's your money. There's your money. There's your money. Thanks, Kev. Thank you yet again, Kev. You're welcome, everybody. You're welcome. Kev, you're giving away free money every day. Oh, my goodness. How can we repay you? Well, tell a friend, buy the system, learn how to trade for yourself. How about that? Who here just made money? Who just made money? Sean T said just made $490 on SPX. So fucking worth it. Kev equals a wizard. Thank you, Big Pippin. Thank you, Kevin. Money in the bank. How much? For the system, $575. Look at the money you just made. Look at the fucking money you just made. Called live before your eyes. All these trades. Well, not all these trades. There were a few trades that I already had open, but those were also live. Look, there's your money on a Monday. You're welcome. Happy birthday, whatever birthday it was. Look at it. Lock it in. Lock down those trades. Don't risk anything. There's your money. Bippity boppity boo. Zippity doo dah. Zippity yay. There's some money I made for you on your birthday. There you go. There it is. Oops. There it is. Oop. There it goes up higher and higher and higher. Higher and higher and higher. More and more and more money. More and more and more money. There it is. Whoop. There it is. There it is. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. And I'm just going to leave this over here so we don't get too much out here. I don't know what I'm showing or not. Let's take a look. There's my money for this from last week and this week. There it is. Whoop. There it is. Whoop. There it is. Whoop. There it is. This is fucking nuts. But yeah, you're right. We don't go live. We don't trade. I don't help you all make. Get out of here. How much more money I can help you all make in a day. Jesus, calling out thousands and thousands of pips, thousands and thousands of dollars every day. There you go. There it is. Oop, there it is. Let's lock some of these in, by the way, so we don't have to take any kind of risk. I'm going to leave one unlocked, and that's your SPX. Look at it go up. Does anyone see what's happening here? Oops, see, look at Naz fucking around. Ho, ho, ho. Naz is being a douche. And this is why you can't put your stop losses above take profit too early at this point. So did SPX. The SPX would have tapped your ass out. If you'd have put that in, it would have tapped your ass out. You don't put your stop losses too close, or it'll tap your ass out. Cheating ass sacks of shit. Look at US 30. Go, baby, to the moon. Jimmy Hustle says, is that a lifetime fee or subscription free? Look at this money. Thank God. Yep. Everyone be thanking God or the system or Bri or all three. Say it now. Give thanks. Give thanks. Whether it's Jesus or Muhammad or a flying spaghetti, I don't care. Make your money every day. $500 in every way. I'm getting rid of my SPX. I'm not keeping that open. I'm closing my SPX down to $30 profit. Look at the money you're making. Look at that money you're making. Look at that money you're making. Da, 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 da. And damn if I didn't just do that. Son of a gun. Let me grab that out of there real quick. Dot diddy dot diddy dot 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 diddy dot diddy do dot do dot do dot do dot d. Look at that money we're making. All right. Thanks, my guy. Spy, please. Think I'm switching. Is that a lifetime fee? It is a yearly subscription fee for $575. Look at this money every day documented on my YouTube channel. Over 370 videos every day of me trading live. Every trade I've ever made is on there. Every trade I ever made. $575 for the system. And you get unlimited training with me, usually once a week. Sometimes a little slack about that, but usually it's once a week. There you go. So you're going to get unlimited training once a week. You also get a private group training your first visit with me. So it'll be small. Then all the groups after that can be a little larger if they want. $575 for the year. You type in all one word, thesafetytrade.com. Why isn't that showing? Hold on a second. Let's pull this over here. And this is where you, oh, I know I'm too close. There we go. And that's thesafetytrade.com is where you go to. Who made money for you this morning? Who made money for you yet again this morning? Who made money for you yet again this morning? Sell stop New Zealand, Japan. Sell stop GBP, JPY. I called out all these other trades for you. Look at the money, $575 for the year. Best money you're ever going to spend. The best money you're ever going to spend. You can email us from here, follow us, get our Twitter, Twitch, all that shit, whatever it is. You go to safetytrade.com. We need a jingle too, by the way. Hey, Metal Mind, make me a jingle for Safety Trade. So we have something that's catchy. We have a GBB JPY. Let's see. It is a 1 minute sell stop, GBJPY. It is 1 minute sell stop, GBJPY. I'm going to take that one, actually. Thank you for this. From the scanner and Keith and Mike, we're going to go right here. Worth every penny, said Patrick Moore. You're welcome. How much did you buy in for? Always the same. I have it listed, and I get this question a lot, so we have an answer for it a lot. Let's take a look. See. Zoop, 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 zoop. There it is. Always the same. Platforms, well, actually, there's a lot of different brokers I use, but the one you guys are seeing this morning is Eagle FX. 0.009 was my lot size. 0.09. 0.09. And if you go over to YouTube, you can actually see that. You'd actually see what it looks like. Let's go back to us making money. Woo! NAS 100 1 minute buy stop is in the house. Oh, it tapped me out. That little effing weasel. That little weasel tapped me out. Watch now. F you. We're going back in. Don't recommend this as a little high up, but screw it. Cheat NAS sacks of manure. We ain't taking that shit. Look at it go up, up and away. Superman. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Superman is in the house. Superman. We're about to make some more money. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. There it is. Oop, there it is. What money? Oop, there. Here's our lot size, by the way, in case you don't know. There's all the things. This is my entry time, 1623, 1623, and these are from the other day. These are the symbols. That's the amount of the size. This is the symbols. If you go over to YouTube, you'll see a lot more. Price, stop loss, take profit, swap fee. Swap fee is nothing more than interest they charge you when you use their money. And there it is. Zippity doo. Sell stop, CAD Japan. Sell stop, New Zealand Japan. Sell stop, GBP JPY. I see a little pattern there. Sell stop, sell stop. Da, 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 da. Let's see our little scanner. Forex, crypto, stockos, indicios, Forexos, indice top 10, Forex top 10. What a beautiful scanner. Let's take a look at our most gorgeous scanner in the whole wide world. Look at this thing. Absolute perfection. Love it. Trades about 90% the way I do. Only way you can get the scanner is if you buy. Look at this shit. What do you think a down arrow means, guys? We've made it so easy that I swear, I don't even know how people. I don't know what more do you want. Look at it. What do you see right here? A down arrow telling you it's going to go down. Jesus. Still check it yourself. New. Do you see that plop up? New GBP odds, sell stop, 1 minute, GBP odds. Let's check it out. GBP odds. Is it going to be a sell stop 1 minute? I don't know. Look at it. Look at how cool it is. Then they go off when they're done in 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes they open up. The first 1 minute you see a new symbol. Keith Palmer is an amazing coder. Spidey is an amazing coder. These are the guys who brought this to life. This is just utterly amazing. See how it just went away? Look at this, GBP odds. Let's take a look at it. This scanner is a game changer. It works on crypto, stocks, everything. There's nothing it doesn't work on. It trades just like me. God dang. What is it? GBP odds. Let's take a look. Sell stop. It is correct, and it's going to be really correct. Sell stop to the blue line, 1 minute. And then you can see right here, we're going to have a 15-minute buy stop. That's what I'm waiting on right here, actually. But it is correct. It is a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, and it will work. All right. Let's see. What a beautiful thing. I think I might come back to that scanner. I love that thing. Let's see what we're having over here. Let's see. Oh, are we back in the money on our NAS? Say it isn't so. You were over $100 again on the one that I went in late on just because I was pissed they tapped me out. The little sacks of freaking manure. We're in the money. We're in the money. La da 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 da. Yep, this trade right here where they tapped me out in. I got back in because I'm stubborn like that. We're in the money. There it is right there. A 0.09. $120. All right. Great system. Well worth the money, as you can already see you today. Thank you, Steve. I'm working on my 2K message, MQQQ. Okay, don't know what any of that is, but Jimmy Hosel, I hope that works for you. Yes, we use Tradevite for the futures. The minis it works amazingly well. How much did you buy in for? I told you. Thank God, Bri, Kevin, Spidey. You're welcome, USA Graphics. Can't wait for the US 30 sell-off. Get the system, guys. Thank you. I'm working on it, sir. John Elisa, thank you. Safety Trade System. Thanks, God. Kevin, Bri, Keith. No, we're not leaving yet, Kimberly. Now let's drop down the blue line. Thing of beauty this morning, 2 for 2, trades up 340, still 100% success rate. Thank you, God, Kevin, Bri. Peter P. Did you ever think you would write down those words that you have a 100% success rate? Peter P., also known as Spidey 2. Drop to blue line, 4-hour NAS. Let's go. I'll hold that all day. Yeah, your micros, your minis. Great system, well worth the money. Jimmy Hustle. Jimmy, we got a guy named Jose that makes more money on those, using our SPY and NAS. He makes so much more, 1,000, 5,000 a day just for fun. He bought a boat for his family with it, actually. And then we have another gentleman, Jay Cochran. He makes anywhere from probably low end in a day, 6,000, high end in a day. He made 73,000 in a day. And look at the money we're making. You're up $172. You're welcome. Look at that money go. You're in the money. Anyone new should be out of their SPX trades anyways. You should be done trading SPX. SPX is also up. Bam. Look at it. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. SPX in the money. NAS is in the money. US 30's in the money. Woo! Look at this shit. 100% is the thing. Never have I had this trading for years. Correct, Peter P. I just wanted to appreciate what's happening. So many of you guys, I would be happy with 3 to 400. I know, right? Oh, yeah. We have Kimberly Harrington. Everybody that's in the Discord, can you head over to the that's on YouTube? Can you head over to the listed TikTok that I have listed in the Discord? Oh shit, I don't think I listed it. Hold on. Let me go back in the Discord. You know what? I might not even tell you guys anymore. I'm just going to tell you in there. Da 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 da. Can't spell even when I can spell. Please join me in TikTok. It is da 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 da. We're in the money. Da 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 da. Naz is going to tap out possibly. Let's see. Yep, Naz taps me out again. Little freaking manure. It's fine. We made our money. Don't be. Well, I'm going to go in Naz again. Let me pull up Naz over here. Da 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 da. Buy stop. Naz 100 1 minute. Buy stop. SPX 1 minute. Da, 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 da. Can't nothing I can do. I'm not going to go back into it again. It hasn't gone on tap me out yet. I will. If it goes down any lower in US 30, I will call another buy stop on it. Hey, 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 making money. Thank you, T Mark, for coming over. I'd love to help you get there, by the way, Jimmy. Hustle to your $300 to $400 a day. Ric Flair, there's a woo in the house. The Ric Flair drip. Okay, I have no idea what I'm talking about. Watch Naz go. Travis Clara said. Roshane says Ric Flair. Woo, 1 minute buy stop, says Kim. Let's see. Kimberly's calling for a 1 minute buy stop on gold. I see that, and I see it 100%. There is that 5 minute sell stop broken, though, but I'm going to call 1 minute buy stop. Fuck. Going to the blue line, too, some bitch. Saw Creed 3 over the weekend. It was okay. Bri really liked it, so that's all that matters. She liked it. The 30 minute buy stop gold. 30 minute buy stop gold. Let's see what that GBP Odge is doing. Oh, looks like my GBP Odge is engaged. We're in a little bit of money on that one. I'm going to pull this back down over here. Buy stop that I called out. 15 minute is engaged. If you're going to take that trade, you should put your stop loss right here. 20, 18, 20 pips stop loss, whatever you want to do with that. Let's see. SPX. Buy stop. SPX fill in the gap. 1 minute. Buy stop. We can lower this. Let me see where we're at in a 5 minute. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. We can lower this one down. Buy stop. SPX. 1 minute. Buy stop. NAS. 100. 1 minute. I can't call the US 30. It hasn't gone down low enough for me to call that. I'm still in the money on that. Jimmy Hustle. Let's see. All right. So, Kim, thank you for the call. I'd appreciate that. Hopefully you all made money this morning. There was 82 of you watching. We're growing on YouTube nice and steady, are we not? Very beautiful to see. I'm glad you all are here. I do need a few more thumbs up, though. There's 82 of you stealing my signals for free, which I don't mind, but it is stealing. In order to become not stealing, you need to at least give me a thumbs up and buy the system. So I need that to go into the 60s, or I'll dismantle the YouTube video and I'll take it down, and no more money for anybody today. So please give me some more thumbs up on YouTube, or I'll just take her down and we'll start all over with something else later on. Buy stop Odge CAD. Let's go over that and look, actually. Let's look at the scanner. Okay, you guys have about not much time before I pull YouTube. So there's 83 of you watching, If y'all don't come up with some more likes in about the next 30 seconds, I'll be closing down the YouTube channel. I'm going to be only on TikTok. Let's see. Stocks. Oh, Airbnb, 1 minute buy stop. I see an alert. Look, oh, there it is. Let's see. I've never traded Airbnb. ABB&B. New. Buy. Looks beautiful. Our scan, you can actually click on a picture and see too. Yep, that is a buy stop, but I don't know where we are in the 5 minutes, so I'm going to pull it up for live. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty the scanner works. Thing of freaking beauty. Look at it. Oh my goodness, that is fucking great. Okay, Airbnb just went away. Let me see real quick here. Airbnb. I don't even know if I have it open. Hold on. Airbnb, ABB. I don't think I do. Oh, there it is. Airbnb. You're in the money on your NAS, by the way. Close it down. If you open up two, close one down, keep the other open. Airbnb. Let's see. This is A, B, and B. Green, 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 red, green, green. Where's it going to? Let's see. 5 minute maybe. Yes. This is a true buy stop. Airbnb is a true buy stop. I don't trade it. Be careful with that, but whatever. It called it correctly. It read the thing correctly. Amazon looks like it's a buy stop too. Let's go over to Amazon right here. Michael says, oh, we're up to 63. Thank you, guys. 77 of you watching, 63 likes. Thank you all very much. Appreciate that. Sorry to get mean, but, come on. You can't be that lazy stealing making hundreds and thousands of dollars for you, and you can't give me a thumbs up, really? You need to rethink what you're doing in your life if you can't do that. That's pitiful. That is embarrassingly bad. Let me be specific. So thank you for those likes. All right. Airbnb and now Amazon is a buy stop. We can click on it again to see the picture. It is correct, and it looks like it already was. I think that's what happened on that one. It already did it. Look at it. Buy stops. If you don't know anything else, every language in the world, when something is green and going up, would generally mean that's a buy or it's going to go up. Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen in your life? Anywho, let's see if what's going on in crypto world. There is a buy stop 1 minute on Doge. Buy stop 1 minute on Doge, and this is a crypto scanner based on my trading technique, which means it's within equivalent of about 90% of the way I trade. There's a Forex scanner. There's a top indices scanner. But look at that crypto. Doge. 1 minute buy stop. We can look at it and see right here. Oh, I can't on this one. I'm sorry. We're on the top 10s right here. This is the day and the time that it calls it, and these are never changing. By the way, you're in the buy on your money on your NAS 100. You're welcome. You're up $100 on your NAS 100. You're up $100 on your NAS 100 that I just called for you. Airbnb in the house. SPX is in the money again. NAS 100 is in the money again. US 30 never went out of the money again. Here's your money. Here it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Look at it go up before your very eyes. 129, 130. The -5 is the GBP, whatever pair that was. Plus 400, plus 400. Look at it. That I have to lock in something. Hold on a second. Precious is in the house. Good morning, baby. Who slept like a little angel? Did you sleep like a little angel, baby? Good morning. You sleeping good? Or your little stuff's down here? It's too far away. Okay. Did you turn the heat on?
Yeah.
We had a very good morning, Precious. Everything moved exactly like it was supposed to move this morning. Went straight up. We all made money. Well, hopefully everybody made money. Okay, Will Do says can't dodge them. Thank you, bro. You're the man. You're welcome, Can't. Jimmy Hustle made some money, evidently. I want to spend the money. T Mark says, hey, making money. And I think it's T Mark's birthday. Whose birthday was it? Do you have any birthday Gifts for anyone on a birthday other than I just made them hundreds and thousands of dollars. Morning Bree says Tanny. Morning Bree says USA Graphics. Morning Bree says Jason.
Good morning.
Michael Davis, good to be here. Buy Stop Gold. Jimmy Hustle said I'm still here. Jimmy Hustle, I hope you made some money, Jimmy Hustle. You're up a lot on your NAS 100 right now. Look at it go up before your very eyes. We're going to lock this in, by the way. Now it is nothing more. No risk-free trade. You're up $200 since I called that call for you. You're up $349 on the calls from US 30 this morning. No, Little Tuxie knows you're here. SPX, you're in the money in, and it's also filling the gap trade on SPX. It was a straight-out safety trade buy on your NAS. So you're in the money on all trades except for GBP Odge, which is $5 down. All other trades are in the money. Ba-da-ba-doo. Ba-da-ba-doo. Ba-da-ba-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo. A link to my system, he says. A link to my system. Let's see. Precious, we have an R system here, and it is, I don't see it. Can't have it. I don't see it. Can't get it. Here it is. The link to it is you type in the word, all one word, the safety trade, just like this. All one word into Google, thesafetytrade.com. And then you'll see this funny looking bull thing, which is all we trade, by the way. 1 minute buy, stop, US 30, 1 minute buy, stop, US 30. And then you'll see this little button right here. This is the one you want, $575. That's not true. If you want one-on-one with me, you can do this. I don't recommend it. I don't think you need it. But if some people like that, where there's just me and them talking to them, that price is $777. And I don't do it if you want. I don't care. And then alerts, and then of course the actual one that you should be getting, which is the super safe trade system. $575. Boop, 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 boop. 3 left. Oh, wow. All right. That's where you go. All one word, safetrade.com. Check out. Oh, geez. Really? Fucking crying out loud. Check out. Yeah, if that's so great, then check it out yourself. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. No one promotes anything else or anyone else here, period, for any reason. You were just blocked. Thank you. That's less than what I'm spending now for just an algorithm. That's a one-time yearly fee, by the way. It only renews yearly. That's not monthly, Jimmy. Way to go, Travis. Made 1,500 so far at the market open. Was it Travis's birthday? When do you think the 4-hour NAS will drop? I love these long holes after it gets in the money and you can go break even. Absolutely. Thanks, Keith. When do I think? I don't know. We'll just be ready for it when it's ready. NAS, buy, stop again. Oh, well, shit. Hold on. Yeah, US 32. Hold on. Buy, stop. All right. Buy, stop, US 30, fill in the gap. I can't get you in. We're too late. I didn't see it quick enough. You're still in that buy, stop from earlier on NAS right now. And SPX, you're in the money. There's nothing you can do as a fill in the gap. Fill in the gap means this. Green, green, green. This little space right here fills in when this is green and it went up, in which it did. And that's a fill in the gap. I called that out just a few minutes ago, and that's exactly what happened. This is an actual safety trade. Anyone learning how a trade works. You can't see the future, but our system predicts it with about 99% accuracy. Let's take a look at what it does. You're going to see right here a very, very simple little pattern that repeats over and over and over again. Matter of fact, let's show you right here what it did. This morning, you're going to see right here. Doop, 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 doop. And if you were on YouTube, you can see it much, much clearer. But right here, you're going to see this pattern form where it is literally green, 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 green. You're going to wait right here for a red to pop up. Doop, it does. right here. This was the first one we did this morning. You put a buy stop above here and you hope it goes up. So we watch price action up here now. Nothing. Then, of course, it goes up and we make money. Yay, us. We made a whole bunch of money. Now we wait for the same pattern. Green, with this being green right here. Wait. Red. Here it is. Put a buy stop above here again. See what happens. Oop, there it goes. You made some money again. Now it's coming back down again, and now we're waiting to see what happens again. So let me go over to US 30 because that's the one we're going to hold for a minute. Yep, US 30 is a buy stop. Just wait. Let me take this off of here. So if you can recognize patterns, in case you didn't catch that, Jimmy, you're the man. Thank you. So cool. Monthly, that's less than what I spent. Yeah, I know. Jimmy Hustle's paying more than $575, and I give you out my free signals, by the way, Jimmy. Oh, it's going to go tap us. You're in the money, whatever money you made on US 30. This is officially a buy stop again. US 30, green, red, green. Buy stop, US 30 trading, buy stop. Put it in again right here and wait. Right there. If it comes up, great, we make money. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Here it is again, also on NAS. I'm going to put another one in right here. I'm sure SPX is following NAS because they're brother and sister. Can't do it, though. Not far enough down on SPX yet, but it's close. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. 1 minute buy stop, NAS 100. Let me put in two of these real quick. And if it keeps going down, who the hell cares? I don't care. Do you care? I don't care. Doesn't matter to me none. Let's see. This is our NAS. Let me go back to US 30 again. Nope, right here. Let me see where we are on the 5 minute. Yeah, let it come down a little bit more. If you really want to see what should happen here, I'm going to show you what you guys should be looking for on the 5 minute. We need this to pull back down to this green line to form this to turn red right here, to be specific, so we're no confusion. We want everything else to stay green, but we want this one right here to turn red. So if we can see this indicator turn red for us right here, that'll be a huge win for everybody on TikTok, all 20, 30 of you on TikTok, all 70, 80 of you on YouTube. A huge win will occur. You guys will make a lot of money if I can get this to turn. Buy stop NAS 100. Buy stop SPX 100, 1 minute. Buy stop US 30, 1 minute. And you just have to wait. I'm going to trade off this 5 because I want it to go down a little bit further for us. Shit, I don't know if it's going to. I don't know if we're going to get that. Let's see. Oh boy, I think it's just going to go up now. I think you're about to see it go up. I try to get you in. You're in the money. You're in the money 150, 160, 120, 170. You're in the money on GBB odds. You're in the money on GBB odds. Let me pull GBB odds over here. GBB odds was a buy stop I called on. You're in the money on GBB odds. You're in the money on all of them. You're in the money on every call I made this morning. You're in the money on every call that's been made this morning. Sell some, keep some, whatever you want to do. I don't care. I'm not here to be your daddy. You just got to do what you got to do. This is a buy stop 15 minute. Let me show you what it formed. Just like I told you I went on the other one. You see this right here? Green, red, green, buy stop. We went up. How did I know? Because the system knows. How do we know? Because I've traded every day live with you guys. Every day I've been live with you guys. Every day I've been live with you guys for the last 6 months. All of my trades are on YouTube. Don't be lazy. Go back and watch all my trades. See for yourself. You're in the money again. Way to go, Travis Keith. Anybody make that on with me? Good morning, Jeremy. There you go. Look at that. You're up $8. You're in the money on all NASs. You're in the money on all US 30s. Look at your US 30. Look at your US 30. Boom, in the money. Boom, in the money. Making more money. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Watch it go up before your very. I'm taking one of my NASs out. Let's see what NAS is doing. In the money on SPX. In the money on NAS. In the money on GBB odds. In the money on every call that was made this morning that I've entered, that the trade is entered into. We've made money. Call it, Mac. Who's making money? Who's making money? Who made money this morning once? Who made money again this morning? Second time? The boss, Karen. What's up, Karen? When I grow up, I want to be just like you. Your connection is unstable. Can I trade before we have our one-on-one? Just installed your indicators last night. Jeremy, you can do anything you want. You're an adult. Nope. I don't care if you want to be like me. That's silly. Metal mine. We'll sell around the world, shore to shore. I produce a financial fork, put in your life as let's drop an anchor. There's metal mine. Don't put it on here. Make it like a little thing and put it on our Discord or list it on YouTube, silly. Keith Palmer's up 35% today. Congratulations. And Metal Mine, I don't know. Metal Mine's lost his mind. I'm in profit pirate named Jack Sparrow. Check out the live. Pay attention to the arrow. God. Metal Mine, stick to the trading, please. Oh my God, we created a monster. I am. Thanks, says Ryan. Money, says Jason. MH Kev, first trade system, US 30, $125. That's awesome. Congratulations. I was asking if you guys like the idea. Metal Mine. My bad. Much love, my brother. That's okay. Well, Eve said 6 out of 6 today. That's awesome. Can I trade before we ever want to? Yes, sir. You can do anything you want to do. You're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on the GPRs. You're in the money on all. You're in the money on US 32, by the way. And we're in the money. We're in the money. Da, 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 da. We're in the money. We're in the money. All right. Can I trade for it? Yep. Hey, 6 out of 6 today, Waleed. Awesome, Waleed. Awesome, Keith. Love to hear everyone making money out there. Da, 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 da. Look at these buys going up, 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 and away. Let's see what's going on with NAS. Oh, yeah, you're about to make some more money again. SPX, you're still in the money. I can't call it. US 30, you're in the money. What do you want? You're in the money, and it's exactly what I told you. When you see this green, 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 red, green, green, you put a buy stop above here and you make money. It did it once. It did it twice. It did it on US 30. It also did it on NAS. Green, 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 red, buy, make money. Green, green, red, buy, make money. There you go. What about SPX? Same exact thing. Green, 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 red, and then up it goes. There's all your money. Here's all your money. By the way, it's coming up right now. Here it goes. We're in the money. Who's in the money? Let's see US 30. Yep, there it is. These are the trades I just told you about 5 minutes ago. $300, $349, $8, $572. This is from this morning. $875 was from this morning. These were from 5 minutes ago. Look at the money you're making. I didn't really look at any emails. I have no idea. Is there some? I think there might have been a couple. I didn't even look at it. Look at the money you guys just made. You're welcome. You made $400. Do I hear 5? $400, $440. Do I hear 500? I told you it was just going to go up. Here's another buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. 5. I heard we just saw 500, 511 from trades 5 minutes ago. You just made enough to double the cost of the system for the year. $6, $700, $800. These are from last week. 1,000 on SPX. 6,000, 4,000. This is from this morning. 900, 700, $5. I'm proud of that one. Still the right call. $500, $400 just from just a few seconds ago, from a few minutes ago. Look at it. Look at it go up before your very eyes. It's not just going up on US 30. It's also going up on NAS. It's not just going up on NAS and US 30. It's going up on SPX too. We're in the money. Who's in the money? Trading with you guys just like that and calling out before it happens, drawing it out before it happens, telling you what it's going to happen, telling you last night it was going to happen. What did I mean? Last night, when you go watch the video, I left you with this thought. 5-minute buy stops right here. US 30, NAS 100, that's SOX, which should be SPX. 5-minute buy stops. These are your reaping your profits. The $900 was called this morning from this call last night. The $900 from this call last night. The $6 just a few minutes ago. The $700 was just a few minutes ago. The $600 was just a few minutes ago. You're welcome. All right, guys, who's happy? Who's happy? Let's all be happy. An attitude of gratitude is what makes all this possible, because God, thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. I don't care if you call him Jesus, Muhammad, or Flying Spaghetti Monster. No offense to anyone, but that's called life. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. You can go over to the YouTube channel and see all these trades made live every day for the last 6 months. You go ahead and document every trade you ever made for the last 6 months and see how you like it. I've done it. For the last 6 months, I documented every trade I've ever made. It's on YouTube, almost 400 videos. There you go. There's your money. Boom. There it is. Watch it go up before your very eyes. Oh, Kev, how can you do this every day? Because the system's that good. I teach you how to do it. The scanner calls it out. Da, 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 da. Let's pull in the scanner now. There's your money. Who loves the money? 30 people on TikTok. I told you guys to tell all your friends. I told you that the money was coming, did I not? Who here? Who here made back almost all? Good job, Jimmy. I'm glad, Jimmy Hustle, I'm glad you made your money back, my brother. Kim the Candle Lady, Roshane Hall, Candle Envy. Great trading, Waleed. 6 out of 6 today. Is the blue line part of the system? It is. Oh, I was asking if you guys like the idea. Okay. Does anyone out there have any concerns or questions about how we just did this? Let me pull up the scanner. Da, 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 da. Where did I put the scanner? Oh, where did I put the scanner? There it is. Oh, there we go. Da, 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 da. Here's the scanner. The scanner trades just like I do, 90%. So that means you have a robot looking for every trade just like I see every trade. Can you imagine the power of the scanner? Oh, my goodness. The scanner is unbelievable. The scanner is unbelievably accurate. Look at this right here. This is NAS 100. Early 1 minute, early warning buy stop. 5 minute, early warning sell stop. 15-minute buy stop. Look at the arrow right here. This is the buy stop. This is what we're playing. This is what was just happened. Not only did it do it for NAS, the scanner also called it correctly. Early warning buy stop. 1 minute for SPX, US 30, and all these for the 15-minute also. There you go. There you go. How does it do that? Because it trades just like I do. Freaking amazing. You can thank Keith and Mike. Look at this. It calls them out, shows you, does it for crypto. There's one for USD. I guess that's Tether, maybe. I don't know. I don't trade those things. And then there's one for Forex. Here's the indice ones. You have an actual My Dad. You can create your own dashboard. You can literally get alerts to your phone and email, so you no longer have to sit in front of your charts anymore. You can go do whatever you want to do, make all kinds of money. Utterly amazing. Sorry, but it is. Sorry, but not sorry. Let me see the 5 minute. We never did get a drop down. Nope, we never did. It touched. It came down and kissed the line right here and came back up. That's why I had my buy stops in place. Didn't even come down and touch the line. And it kissed the line again on US 30. That's all it did. So we never got our red on the 5 minute. All we did was get it on the 1 minute. And that's all you do is make money. What AI program? What video do I start with, sweetie? This is my first day. Oh, great. Karen, what video do you start with? I don't. I've got 390 of them. Probably go back the one from here. Let me go over to the system here. Sure. Give me just 1 second, guys.
Isn't that the number the indicators would be programmed to?
Oh yeah. That's the indicator number. Why they're not working?
Because he said the picture, and I'm like, okay, that numbers don't match that.
Nope. Then he sent you, he's trying to scam. You get one set of indicators. Do not try to get 2 set of indicators at all, ever. You have to pay for a second set of indicators. You send us your account number, you put it on, and you live with that decision for the rest of your life. You get one set, or you buy another set of indicators. Don't try anything funny. Bree will catch you every time. You're not getting out of it. All right. Here's your profit. Now, I was just asked by Karen, a new person, what video to start with. There's so many. I would head over and watch this right here. Let's go over to this. I would go ahead and over to my live. I'd go over to the channel. If you were on YouTube, you could see a lot more. I recommend you strongly go over to YouTube. I'd go over to my lives, and I'd go over to the last previous live I had. Okay, not the one I'm in. It would have been third and final part, 325. It would be labeled this one right here, 325.23 or 35.23. Preview for Monday of this one, 36. Sorry, can't say the right things. This is the one I'd watch, and then you can see me call out every trade that we're currently in, making hundreds and thousands of dollars off last night before they occurred. This is the video, but you can watch any of them. Just go over to the lives. You'll see tons of them. Hundreds and hundreds of them, to be specific. It's kind of crazy. All right. So there you go. It's very, very, you're welcome, Karen. What AI program is this? It's an AI program that I created. Oh, I'm not incredible, but the system's very much incredible. Yes, it is. My mama told me a safe trade is like a box of chocolates. You never know what good you're going to get until you pick a video every time. I know, right? That is true. He's doing Forrest Gump. Almost forgot to reach out, Kev. Can I reach out for the scanner link to buy it? Yes, you can. Just email us at the normal email that you have been dealing with. Anyone watching right now should be blown away and not hesitating on getting the system. Wake up, guys. Thank you, Kimberly, for saying that. Hey, Kim, do you want to head over to the TikTok and talk to Karen? Kimberly Harrington has been with us a while, and she's made so much money. She's retired twice. Well, once. Well, twice. Wait, she retired, went back. I think she says she's going to retire again in summer. Never mind. She only retired once. But yeah, and that's it. So I'm going to teach you how to trade, Karen, since you're here. And there's a few other of you watching. I'm going to teach you how to trade when you don't need anything to do with support and resistance. You don't need anything to do with Fibonacci retracements. If there's support and resistance, then how do they explain breakouts? And if there's such a thing as Fibonacci, why did it come from watching shells, which is pretty, and the flower petals and their patterns? Why is that? How is that even humanly possible to anyone? I don't understand. So that's silly. That's silly. What about VWAP, volume, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges? Yeah, there's no technique out there that I have not learned and lost money on. So I created my own, and now we all make money. We have hundreds and hundreds of people in the system all making money every day, or should be. I make these calls out for you every day. So let's go over how I do it. Let's go ahead over, try and move this out of the way then. Doop. All right, this is how you trade. This is how hard it is. No one can see the future, not even the system, but the system is pretty damn good at predicting it. Watch. This is what it is. This is all you have to notice right here. Watch how simple this stuff is. We do patterns. When there's a pattern, you trade it, okay? So let's say this is US 31 minute. You're going to see right here, green, 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 green. It's all you have to see, all these greens against this orange. If you can see that, you're going to have a good grasp of things. Then right here, you're going to see right where I'm pointing to, that as the minutes go by, minute, you're going to see this red, just like over here was red. This is going to be red. Now, this has to stay green, so it's going to be green, 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 red, green, green. You stay right here with the, right here at that red. If you can't see it, that is red. You open up a new order, and you put a buy stop, just like we did right here. What is a buy stop? A buy stop is when you click, go to trading, new order, and I'm going to remove this for now. And over here, oopsie, we got too many arrows now. Let me get that off there for you. Hold on 1 second. Da, 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 da. All right, and then from here, we're going to open up a new, look at it go. Hold on. We got to absorb this. Look at this money that you're making. Look at this money that you're making. These are the calls that were called the last time I went live. From that time period, you'd be up $1,200 on US 30, $1,000 on NAS. From this morning, you're up $6, which doesn't sound like a lot. It's still very good. And you're up just from minutes ago, seconds ago, you're up $900, $800. And this is just like 10 minutes ago. I made these calls for you. So from last week, 1,000, 6,000, 4,000. From this morning, or from last night, 1,200, 1,000. From this morning right now, $7, $900, $900. Buy the system. Learn how to trade. Make money consistently. Holy crap. Are you looking at this? Before your very eyes, this went from 0 to 1,000, well, 900. 0 to 900, 0 to 900. These calls were just made live for you. These trades were made live for you. Look at it keep going up. Look at it keep going up. Look at it keep going. Now you're at almost 1,000. Almost 1,000 per 1,000. We hit 1,000. We thank you, God. We hit 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Are you kidding me? Who is not buying the system? 36 of you out there. You better be buying this system. I'll be back. All right, Karen. See you in 20 minutes. The system is grossly underpriced. It's a no-brainer, says Florin. Everyone speak up. Is the system worth it or not? This is your time to pay back. We have rules. The rules are now being called in. I expect every one of you that have bought the system to speak up now. This is not playtime. I'm asking you all, whether you're on anywhere you are, I want each and every one of you to stay in good. We have rules. Rules number 8. And I'm going to pull it up for you in case some of you have short-term memory loss. You are to expected to speak up right now. You will speak up right now, or when we come to renewal, I remember who spoke up and who didn't. Let me be specific to you. So go ahead. Go ahead. Let's hear it now. Let's see if anyone out there is appreciative of what they're seeing before their very eyes. Who is appreciative right now? Who is the ones that are very thankful to God? Who are the ones that are thankful for the system, for Bri? Be thankful for Keith. Look at this stuff. Look at the money. Here it is. These are our rules. Do not forget these rules. You will always remember these rules, or I have a long-term memory. I do not have to renew any of you into this system. If people aren't grateful and giving thanks, then I remember. I know who you are. And when you think you're going to renew, that shit ain't going to be happening. Let me tell you that clearly. I don't have to renew the system. I don't even have to give any of you this system. I used it for 2.5 years without sharing it. How about that? Always thank God. Rule number 8, always thank God. Always do good with your profits. That means you help family members that don't even talk to you, still help them. You help people in your family first, then your friend group, and then work your way out. People off the street, people you don't know, do good with your money, with your profits you're making. Everyone who bought the system, I made you a trillionaire. I made you a billionaire. I made you a millionaire. I know Jay's making $70,000 a day. I know Gourov's making $50,000 a day. If they can do it, you can do it. What's the last thing? Always have my back and speak up when I ask you to. I'm asking you to speak up. I shouldn't have to, but I'm asking you to. Thank you for all who did. This is the reality of what we're doing now. We're making money, lots of money. Help other people get the system by speaking up now. God is good. I am glad I have found you. Thanks for the help, Kevin. You're welcome, Ray. Thank you, Karen. How much is it? It's $575. Jimmy Hustle, buy. Crazy if you don't. What's up, Stacy? You won't be disappointed buying the system. Thanks, FX Plants. I'm no member yet, but you should buy. That says Jimmy Hustle. Jimmy Hustle just been watching this morning, making us money over and over and over again. I like Jimmy. He's funny. Proof's in the pudding. You want to make money, buy the system. Correct. Thanks for the help. You're welcome, Ray. God is good. I'm glad I found you. I am glad you found us too, Karen. I'll be on soon for sure. Good, Jimmy. I hope you are. If not, just keep stealing the money, steal the signal so you can make your money. Thank you for the help. God is good. We already said that. I will be on soon. God is good. Patrick Moore. Morning, Patrick. I don't have system yet, but I watch almost every day. That's great, Danny. Thank you for speaking up. Thank God and all of his good things. Amen, my brother. I've won 42 trades and lost 6 trades so far this month. I am very new, only trading real money for about 2 weeks. That's 42 and 6. T-Mark, I don't think you understand how good that is, my friend. 42 and 6. That's insanity good. 42 and 6. I got to see the percentage on that. That is, where's Cliffy at? 42 and 6. So 6 divided by 42. Nope, that ain't right. It's 42. So it's 42. It's 48 out of 46. Hold up. 42 out of 46. So it's 42 divided by 48. That's an 87.5. That's an 88% win rate. That's fucking insanity, by the way. Holy crap. Insanity. I'm your new biggest advocate, says Jimmy Hustle. Thanks, sir. Hi, brother. How can I get your signals? Signals are free. You're watching them right now. I give them to you free every day. If you want to get the program, that's different. Robin National, thank God the system's printing money. Thank you, Michael Big Pippin. Love the system of your choice. Make this one. Don't regret not taking it. Sanchi. Kevin is the GOAT. Don't know about that. But thank you, Umar. Good morning, Umar. Surplus EDC just took my profits. Great job. It's a great idea to do that, by the way. Fester's Bergen. This is the best thing anyone can invest in. Buy it. Thank you, Fester. Sean T. I wish I could quit my job and do this full time. Slowly working to that. Well, other people have. Sean, you know you'll get there. Moto, thanks to Kevin and Bree. Simply amazing guys. 42 and 6. Peter, that's better than Pelosi's trading record. I don't know if people understand that reference, but Pelosi's kind of an inside scamming trading person. Probably. We don't know that for sure. I'm just saying possibly. Hi, brother. How can you get signals? I give the signals out. Go over. What I would do, Pub, I would go over to YouTube, and my YouTube channel's right here. And besides watching all my YouTube videos, I'd go over here and get the sign up, be a sub under my YouTube, and then you get my alerts, and then you can just take the signals all day, every day, just like that. Look at US 30. Watch NAS. Look at NAS. Straight up she goes. Look at, we're making money on our GBP odds. Hold on. Look at that cute little GBP odds. Told you. GBP odds was a 15-minute buy stop. Bam, baby. in the money. How did I know it was going to do it before it did it? Hours, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. There it goes up. How did I know all these trades? I called the trade you're in currently right here, these trades right here. I called this trade on the YouTube video that I just recommended to Karen to watch. Where the hell did it go? I have no idea. I have too many charts open. I can't keep track. Shit, right here. This YouTube video right here, this is posted live 13 hours ago on YouTube. A live video was posted by me. Here it is. You can go watch it on YouTube. The Safety Trade is my YouTube handle / whatever. You can see it right here. Don't be shy. 13 hours ago, I called these trades that you are now getting the profit in. 13 hours before, listen to me, before you're making the money today, I called these trades last night 13 hours ago. 13 hours ago, this video on YouTube was posted. You don't believe me? Let's click on it. Okay, thank you all for that. All right. Anywho, we're going to go over to here. We're going to go to here. We're going to go to the last part. Here it is. You can literally see, and here, if I turned up the volume, we're on this video, these exact same words. US 30, NAS 100, SOX, which is SPX 500. I'm the terrible speller. 5-minute buy stop. This is from last night. Look at it. This is the video. You want proof? Give me proof. I need proof. There's every day I've ever traded for the last 6 months on YouTube. Here's a proof. Right before it happened, it says, let's see if we can start our week off with a bang again. And of course, we did. We're in it. There you are. This video was done on 3/5. This is done last night, 13 hours ago. And this is the video. And there it is. 168 people watched it. You can see me write things up, what I did, what I didn't do. It's all right here. There it is. Oop, there it is. And what are we reaping the rewards of right now? Oh, I don't know. Lots and lots and lots of money. Doop, there it's about to go up again, by the way. Can't call it because it's not a full on. NAS is in the money, shit tons. Look, how much money? I've pulled it up. I'm getting more comfortable doing it, but this isn't my thing. But anyway, here you go. How much money? There it is. There it is. 500 from just a few minutes ago. Thousands a second ago. There it is. Whether you keep them open or not is up to you. Whether you sell one, keep one or not, that's up to you. Boom. There you go. Is this gold? It's everything. How can we get your indicators? It is indicators, but as a system. We trade gold all the time. We have one of our ladies trades gold. Her name is Kimberly Gold Harrington. I think she's legally going to change her name to that. No, I'm teasing. She's not. But she gets all of her gold things. She calls them out left and right. Yes, it trades gold. And we have a scanner that trades gold, silver, and platinum all at once. This is how you get the system, thesafetytrade.com. Precious, are you okay over there? You want to get in, or are you just handling all that? Okay. Thesafetytrade.com, all one word, type it into Google. It'll pull you up to this exact looking page. When you see this exact looking page, it's $575 for a small group one-on-one with me with unlimited weekly training live with me personally. Minimum once a week. Usually when I'm back home in Georgia, we're in Vegas for 2 months. Usually it's twice a week, but at least once a week, you will get unlimited training with me. So I will train you up every week forever. And then you get the alerts here too, but I would get the alerts from YouTube, to be honest with you. They're better. And then this over here is the one-on-one with me, which I do not recommend. But if you want to get a one-on-one training with me, it's $777, soon to be going to $888. But I'm going to leave it here for now until we get home anyways. So these are going to be a very small group class, your first session, and then just small group classes thereafter. You'll get a copy of it. No longer do you need any desk. No longer do you need ice cream recorders. We're using Zoom now, so we're going to be Zooming these to you. But for $575 for the year, there's 3 left, it looks like, Precious. Just throwing that out there to you, my baby. All right. And then that's that. So that's how you get it. Work for futures. Oh my gosh. On Tradeovite. Yes, it works on Tradeovite. The futures, the minis or macro, whatever the fuck they call them. There. It works on Thinkorswim. Yep. You can use anything. We have guys Yeah, it works. Is this gold? Now we can look at gold for you. Absolutely. I already told you it does. And I want to pull up the scanner again because it's freaking amazing because he asked about this, the gold first. So in our indice room, we have different rooms. We have an indice room, a Forex room, crypto room, and a stock room. They're all there. Then we have a top 10 of each, top 10 of this, top 10 of that. And when you see this little thing moving like this, that means Odd USD is a potential buy stop. You click on it, tells you date and the time. It's all right there. It's utterly amazing. I mean, it's literally the scanner room is an achievement that Keith and Mike have done that is beyond comprehension. It is based on my trading. It trades. This scanner scans hundreds of symbols, including gold, including platinum, including US 30, including oil, all in this room right here. It scans hundreds of these different symbols and tells you when to look for them. And you can even pull up a picture to see if you like it or not. I always go to my charts because I like to verify on a higher time frame, but nonetheless, and then you can make your own dashboard with any symbols you want. I love ERUSD, NAS, US 30, and gold. So I watch those. And then I have an alert that goes directly to my own phone or email. Can you imagine? You don't even have to sit in front of your charts anymore. With the scanner, it does it for you. It's just amazing. It's look, now there's another new one. Odd USD, there's EuroCAD. Boom, baby. What do you think the up green arrow means? It's a buy, a potential buy stop. Look at it. Look at this. Just amazing to me. Just amazing. Manifestation. Ninja Trader. Manifestation numbers. Yeah, okay. Ninja Trader, yes, you can switch over to anything you want. I have live accounts and demo accounts, 7 live accounts. I literally forgot. I told the people the story. No one really laughed. That I left a 0.09 trade on one of my Eagle FS accounts, one of my other Eagle FS accounts. That this went, holy shit, we're making even more money. Are you fucking kidding me? I can't even tell my stories. Hold on. Let's go over to here. I can't even tell my stories. So anyway, I left a trade open Friday. I didn't even know I had open. I come back, I get an alert Saturday morning saying, hey, there's a trade open. It was $440 up on one of my Eagle FX accounts. I have 7 of them. Told you we're about to make more money, and here we are making more money. This is the part where it goes up again, yet again for you. These are the trades from last week, 1,100, 6,000, 4,000. This is a trade from last night when I told you to get in. I got in at 1,300, 900. This is a trade just from this morning. This is a trade from this morning. This is a trade from this morning. We're up $700, $600, $600. There you go. You're welcome. Keeps paying, keeps coming in, keeps making more and more money. There you go. There you go. And look at NAS go up. All that money, all of it for you guys. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. All right. So I think that takes care of that. Yes, what you do is you install your indicators on either a live Eagle FX, which I would recommend, or a demo Eagle FX, whatever you want to do. This happens to be a live one. And then you go ahead and trade on anything you want. Tommy, for instance, he'll trade on different ones. He'll trade on the Thinkorswim a lot. Jose trades on Tradeovite. We got Goroff and Jay. Where's Jay at this morning? They trade strictly on Eagle FX or other ones, I guess. I shouldn't say strictly. And they'll make, one guy makes 50,000, other makes 70,000 in a day. They're outdoing me, in other words. But I got burned for 6 years. I'm still a little gun shy, even though I've been doing my system for the last 3.5 years now. It's been fun. Okay. Hope I answered all your questions on TikTok and YouTube. 4-hour sell stop NAS isn't valid anymore. NAS, let's see. 4-hour sell stop NAS. 4-hour boop. Nope, of course it is. I see nothing changed. This isn't green. Why would you say it's not valid? It's 100% valid. 100% valid. 100% valid. Unless the Bach breaks. Oh, you're talking about this. No, absolutely. It's still valid. It's absolutely even more valid now. That's why I'm still holding the trade. Look, I called it this morning, called it last night. A perfect bounce. This is a perfect daily buy stop. I told you it was. Not only did I tell you, I went into the trade myself. Oh, man, this is so beautiful. This is our logo, by the way, for you who don't know. It's on the back of our bull right there. That is perfection. I know that confuses people, so I don't bring it up anymore. It came over, came up, retested, and back up it goes. We're about to make some long-term money here. Woo! Filling in the gap at NAS. filling in an actual, look at this. This is live happening before your eyes. You can't deny it. The bottom indicator is green. Second to bottom indicator is green. Third is green. Fourth is red. These two, the most important indicator in the history of the world, the Bach. The Bach indicator is green, green. You put it above the line, you're in the money. This is SPX. This is happening before your very eyes. This is a daily buy stop. You will make money on this trade for a probably very, very long time. A day. This is the call I made last night on my last video I did for you. It's over 13 hours ago. This is reaping the rewards. I called this out 13 hours ago, and this is what you're making now. Look at all the money you're making now. Look at it. Zippity doo dah. Zip. How do I know we're making money? Because I call the trades. I'm in the trades. There you are. This is from last night. $1,200 on US 30, $800 on NAS, and then you're up $11. I'm proud of that one too. Every trade that's correct, I'm happy with. $600, $600. Look at it. These are the trades. This is happening live. Can't say it doesn't work. It's happening before your very eyes. There it is. Oop, there it is. This is so much fun. I'm so glad I'm able to help you guys. Look, this is a scanner, and this is a scanner on drugs. No, this is a scanner. Watch right here. Everyone needs to get this system. Everyone needs to get the scanner. Look at it. NAS 100 daily. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go over down to this one. SPX daily buy stop. US 30 daily buy stop. You see it? And not only that, but you can pull up a picture of it. And the picture is going to look just like the one I showed you because we're in it. And that's your daily buy stop. And there it is, calling it out correctly. The reason why there is a sell stop on NAS 100 right now because it hasn't flipped over. So you'd have to go, you actually have to go down a level to the 1 hour buy stops right here, which is formed. So there is a buy stop on NAS 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. So those are the ones you ride with. The current one on the daily is a little different. I'll show you what that looks like on NAS so you don't get confused with that call. See right here, it still can't read it because these are still red, but it still was the exact same formation. Bounced off, went up, making money. Boop, there you go. Boop, there you go. Does that mean it's going to go straight up the whole time? No, of course not. Does that mean you're going to have another buy stop here very shortly filling the gap? Yes, it does. US 30 is not low enough. NAS is not low enough. SPX might give it to us. We need this to turn red before I can call another one for you guys. Look at that money. Just explained it. Easy peasy trading. You never have to worry about support and resistance anymore. You never have to worry about Fibonacci retracements anymore. You never have to worry about news. You never have to worry about, any of the old-fashioned stuff you used to be taught. I was taught it too for 6 years. I lost money for 6 long years. In the last 3 years, I made money. In the last year, I've helped you all make money. I've been on TikTok officially over a year now, 6 months on YouTube. Every trade I've ever made over the last 6 months is documented on YouTube. La di da, diddy da, diddy da. All right, guys. Anyone have any questions? Anyone at all have questions on TikTok or YouTube? If I see any more come up, I'll let you know. It works fantastic on crypto. Matter of fact, let's take a look at our Bitcoin that we called out. Buy stop, 1 minute. It was a 5-minute buy stop, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, still a 1 hour sell. And there is a daily buy. I told you it was a daily buy on this, and it still is, by the way. Buy stop on Bitcoin. So you have a 1 minute buy, daily buy, and you have a 1 hour sell on Bitcoin. Easy peasy reads. All very, very strong, by the way. Extremely strong reads. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we might be holding these trades a while. We might be holding these trades a while. People aren't going to believe how long we're going to hold these trades for, I have a feeling. Wow. Kind of hope we get a nice pullback, though, here soon, but we'll see. Works keep getting in the way of watching. How do you analyze the charts? What's up, Owen? Work keeps getting away with me watching. Kevin, you quit? No, don't. Kevin, eventually, hopefully, you can get out of there. Any idea why Bitcoin froze for hours? Hey, Kevin, any idea why Bitcoin froze? I don't know. Because Bitcoin buyers and sellers are breaking even? I have no idea. You mean, did it freeze on our charts? I don't think it was frozen, was it? I don't know. If it was, go to Hugo's Way or go to Pepperstone or go to anywhere else you want to watch it. I'm sure it wasn't frozen there. How do you analyze the charts? We do live, by the way. There is no such thing as top-down analysis with our trading. You do live analysis. And how do you analyze a chart? No way that you think you do. Every way you think you know how to analyze a chart is incorrect. I know because I used to do it for 6 years. How do you analyze a chart right here? Let me show you. While we sit and make more and more money because it's going to happen again. All right. This is, let's go over to, this is US 30. This is US 30. Okay. This chart right here you're looking at is US 31 minute. Don't worry about the stuff on the top. It's a floating chart. They never change these things. So it's kind of weird how they do that. But anyway, it's inside of here, these little ones. That's a NAS. This is a US 30. US 30, 1 minute. You're going to see the pattern right here develop. And I'll go ahead and hook it up for you so you can see inside here. And then I'll actually do a live trade with you so you can see it. But right inside of here, all you do is patterns. You do not do Fibonacci's. Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracement, while pretty, they came from nature. Why do they apply nature's numbers, repeating numbers, into our trading is beyond silly. Then you have what you call breakouts, right, where they do support and resistance. Support and resistance is the silliest thing you ever heard. How can support and resistance work when they call it a breakout? Doesn't even make sense. There is no support and resistance. They're made up BS, but that's okay. Then you go in and say, look to the left, another fallacy. Then you have ascending and descending wedges, not true. Then you have VWAP. Are you kidding me? Volume. Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm shaking my head. Silly, silly, silly. So anyway, so what we do is just look for little setups. They repeat over and over again. When they do, you make money every time, or at least I can't say 100% of the time because it's Forex. Let's just say 99, 90% of the time, you're going to win the trades. There is a green, 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 red, green, green. You put a buy stop like I did here and look at price go up. That's how you read a chart. It's very, very, very simple to read a chart. You don't need to be a genius anymore. You don't need to do all this silly analysis like people have you do. This is what you do on the 1 minute, and it happens again also on a 1 hour, 5 minute, 50 minute. It happens over and over and over again. It happens consistently, and it's also currently happening right now. This happens to be a live daily chart, and this happens to be US 30, and it's green, 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 red, green, green. Boom, there you go. And it also happens down if you wanted to do like a sell stop. There's a sell stop right here, still valid. It may very well come shooting downward. But until then, we're going to keep making money on the up. So you have this, and it always forms first to first. So 1 minute forms first. This is a buy stop. That's why you're making more money again. 5 minute, 15 minute. Look at the 15 minute. What's this right here? You can see it. This is the 15-minute US 30 chart. Look inside of here, and what do you see? The same exact pattern I just taught you. Green, 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 red, green, green. Put a buy stop, and it goes up. That's all we're doing. And as we're waiting and talking, look at the money we're making. Let's go back to the money. Here it is again. Proofs in the pudding. There's your money. These are from last week. I'm holding these trades from. This is from last night, 13 hours ago. I did a live video and called these trades. You'd be up $1,500, $1,000. This trade was just done this morning. This trade was just done this morning, just a few minutes ago, right at open, about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. $820, $730, and $13 on this trade. All of them going up now, all of them making you money, more and more money. You're welcome. I can't call you in again because it hasn't formed another safety trade, the same pattern I just showed you, but here's the money for it. And there it is. There it goes up even further. Look at it go up before your very eyes again for like the fourth or fifth time this morning. There it goes up before your very eyes again. There's your profit going up with it. There's all the trades I just told you about. These three are from last week. These two are from last night when I told you to get in on my live YouTube video. And these three are from this morning when I just told you to get in live on this video I'm currently in. I'm in Arizona. Hey, we're in Las Vegas, Nevada right now. Okay, Beck, what time do I need to be on here in the morning? You want to be on here, roughly speaking, about 8:45 Eastern Standard Time till about 11:45 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, you make me understand better. Yes, sure, Owen. Whatever I could do to help. I think Mountain Time is what I am. Awesome. Yeah, we're out. Me and Bri are in Vegas for 2 months on a vacation here, trading and having lots and lots of fun. And then, we'll be back in Georgia. Within a month? I think we have 1 month left. Invite you to a live. No, I'm not doing any live with you. That's silly. Thank you anyways, though. I'm sure that's cute and all, but I'm not doing that. The reason being is once you do a live, you can't get control of your screen back like you share a live. No, quit doing that. Get out of here. Thank you, though. Appreciate the thought. Okay, got it. Support and resistance is where the algos go for little quickly when they run retail shops. Support and resistance is the silliest thing on earth. How do you place a stop loss? I can show you in 2 seconds, right where it turns. Golfer girl. What's up, golfer girl? Gold. 30 minute. Awesome. Interesting, Cliffy. I don't know why, but good morning to you, Cliffy, by the way. And your fella wrote back once and he never wrote back again. So I don't know. I wrote him back, but I didn't see any response. Tark easy does it. Are you closing the doors for people who can't get the program just yet? Will there be another opportunity? No, doors aren't closed. Doors are wide open. You can buy the system. Tark, I'm doing a challenge, but I froze my account. Okay, I got it. I'm doing a challenge, but I froze my. I don't know what that means. We have tons and I mean dozens and dozens and there might be hundreds of people that are now Fitmo that have polished their talents that are now accredited professional traders. Dozens of them for sure. People do it in their sleep with our system. With the system in the house, y'all. And Karen, if you have any other questions, please ask. I'm not sure what you mean, Saber. And Owen, I can go over to with you again. But again, I know it's hard. The number one thing, this is what happens. Real recognize real. So when there's a real good trader like Goroff or Tommy or any of the guys who come in, the guys, ladies also who are very good traders, they come in, they'll see that this is real. They buy the system within like 5 or 10 minutes. They go over to YouTube and they just buy it just the way it is. Other people stalk me. They stalk us. They stalk me and Bri, which normally is bad, but they come in here. They say, this can't be for real. There's no way this guy can make all this money every damn time. And they sit here and watch and watch and watch and watch. And then they do it for a month or two. Then they buy the system, wasting all kinds of time, before they should get it. So that's the two kind. Now, people who do really well are experienced traders who do not have their mind closed. They forget everything they've ever learned about trading, except how to open a buy stop and a sell stop. It's all you need to know. And I'll even teach you that. And then after that, the people who do really, really well, like Phil, one of our new guys, literally had no trading experience. The first month he went live with the system, which is 2 months in, 3 months in. The first month that we went live, he turned $2,500 into over $30,000. He makes $1,000 to $5,000 a day, every day. And that is Phil. And he never traded anything in his life. And that's his numbers he made. And yes, I saw his documented numbers for his first month of 30,000. He sent me a statement. I saw it. So that's verified. Yep. How do you know when to buy and when to sell? What's up, Owen? If it's so good, why would you share it? What's up, Mike? See, that's a kind of a negative. How much to buy and nothing. You would, Karen, you would literally only, I think I'm going to take him out. I don't even like that if it's so good. Okay, Mike. Good for you, my brother. I didn't share it. For the first 2.5 years, I didn't share it, by the way, but I do now. I like to help people. It feels good. That's why. I like helping people. For some of you, it's a foreign concept. You like to be mean and angry and ask silly questions like that. And then other people, you're okay. Okay. So getting back to it, how does the system work? Buy Mike's FX plans. How much to buy in? Nothing. It's just the 575, and you should only demo trade, paper trade after that. Meaning just use SPX 500. You're going to tag it 20 times to get the trades correct. Once you learn how to spot the trades, it's a buy stop again, US 30. Once you again see the US 30 only, it looks like, it's going to come down a little bit. You're going to see it to come down again and then go back up again in just a minute. But yeah, you would demo trade. Now after that, you could put about $200 in there and trade SPX and do just fine. Just make money. We have 10 minutes before 11 o'clock. Oh, I got people to train today. Yay. Thank you, God. K9 can use system anywhere in the world. Absolutely. We've got people in South America. We got people in Africa. We got people in all over Europe, Sweden, Switzerland, Germany, tons and tons, probably 100 people in England, surrounding there. Of course, Canada, tons, Mexico, tons, America, tons and tons and tons. It's all over the world. Yeah. So I hope I answered your question, Karen, but that means you just need the 575 and that's it. And just paper trade for a month or two. And Mike asked, if it's so good, why would you share it? Because I'm a nice person and it feels good. Oh, and how do you know when to buy and sell? How does the system work? I'll show you right now. User 57, done. Oh, Karen, you don't have any more questions? What you mean by done? Okay, is this automated? No, you're learning how to trade. Tark says, Kevin, your program is a life changer. People don't waste their time or not take it seriously. That is true. It is a life changer. I never traded before, but thanks to Kevin's system and slow learning curve on my part, I'm fine making money. Yay, Cliffy! Yeah, Cliffy's been a challenge, but he's stuck with it and he's doing it now. And no, Tark, it's absolutely 100% still open. Kevin, I've watched this is Brian from YouTube, for a week. During that time, I'm losing money, not buying the safety trade yet. I left her out. Today is the day I pulled. Oh, nice, Brian. Congratulations. I welcome you aboard. Nothing better than helping others living a free life. Amen, Travis. Kevin, yep. Never trade. You have a big heart. Thank you, Maria Toler. Hey, Maria, what's up, woman? No, it is not automated. I prayed to God for help and woke up and you were on my... No way. Holy shit. You gave me some goosebumps on my left arm, Karen. That's crazy. Wow. I hope I can help you. And we do give praise to God. I don't care if it's Jesus, Muhammad, or Flying Spaghetti Monster, that you give credit for credit's due. I was inspired by God to create this system for my youngest daughter. My youngest daughter, I don't want to give too much details, but had a health issue, and I had to have a way for her to make money. Man, we're making good money on the GB Odds, by the way. But yeah, that's why I created the system. I stuck with it, losing for 6 years. Kept at it because I had to help her out, so she had a way to make money even when she slept or didn't sleep at any time of the day. And God just gave me the inspiration to keep making this indicator, that indicator, and then I made it color coded, so now you guys can all use it. Because obviously I don't need the system to trade, but it does help everyone else to make the trades. It's very handy. Okay. When the student is ready, the teacher appears. I like that, Cliffy. Thank you for helping us. You're welcome, Maria. I'm doing my absolute best to help everybody that ever buys system or people. I give away all my shit for free. There's 45 of you on TikTok and 73 of you on YouTube watching. I don't know who you are. I give out my signals every. And by the way, buy stop US 30. It's coming up again. It's about to go up again. Let's see, GBB. So this is GBB AUD. GBB AUD. We made a 15-minute buy stop call earlier today. And who's been here? Who was here when I made this live call on GBB odds? All of you should be, but I would like to hear I was here or yes. Are any of you here from when I made the GBP odds call that was on this live where I said green, 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 red, green, green, put your buy stop line, which I did, which is here, which is up $20, which doesn't sound like a lot to you. I don't think you guys understand what I'm saying. This number of pips right here is 46 pips. The average professional trader makes 10 a day. We just made 50 on a side note. Can you explain the time frame it takes to learn a system? Yes, it can take anywhere from about 5 seconds. Tommy, Goroff, Jay, Cochran, all these guys, or most people take about, I would say, 2 weeks to about a month, month and a half. And everybody gets it within 3 to 4 months. It depends on how your affinity is to catching on to the system. That's all. FX Plan says, I was here. Me too. Yep. Can you explain time frame? Yep. The best thing the system does is it takes the motion of FOMO out of trading. The trade now comes to me. That's exactly right, Peter P. I was here and spot on as usual, says Techman. I watched this as Tarkies. Thank you guys for speaking up. US Graphics, thanks for speaking up. Ollie, Ryan, Kimberly Harrington, Techman said, the day after my one-on-one, I made more than the system cost. Simply amazing. Yes, you did. Oops, said Greg's. Yes, I did. Greg, you probably called it too, brother. That's funny as fuck. I can't wait for Wednesday, says Mad Guy. Oh, okay. I can't wait either. CDXX. Then can you explain the time frame? I sure will. Learning more and more every day, said USS Graphics. All right. So there you go. Let's go ahead. And by the way, US 30 is going back up, like I said. It just went up again on the 1 minute. You're about to see it bounce up again. NAS just went up again. And then SPX is going up also. So there you go. Let me go ahead and pull this back to US 30. Now, how do we make these trades and make them consistently and all? And how did I literally call out this trade 13 hours, 14 hours probably now before it happened? Let's take a look-see. And let's see if I can find it for you. I've got so many freaking things open. It's almost to the point of being silly. All right, let me see if I can find it here. And I don't see it here. Hold on. Oh, here we go. I'll just grab one of these. Okay. So if you guys head over to my YouTube channel, the YouTube channel is a safety trade. You head over to the YouTube channel, right? So you head over here and you type in the safety trade. You'll see I have about 370, 380 videos, whatever, a shit ton of videos made. And then you're going to see over here, let me try to get some of the stuff out of the way, that you can go under different areas, home, video, shorts, lives. Go over to the live. The very first one that you see right here is this one right here. It says 325 or 3523 Monday preview for Monday. Let's hope we start off Monday with a bang. And if you click on the video and you go last, yeah, I know from the other perspective, I hate it, but now that I'm a creator, I love it. Anyway, and you come over to here and you'll see this YouTube video where I'm talking to you for about 20 minutes. And these same exact words you see right here are the words that are live right here. This is where I called out these trades that you're currently making money in 13 hours before they happen. I called these trades, and you'll learn how to do it too, 13 hours before they occurred. There it is. Those little words right here are right there in the video, and they're right here on your screen live. Is that not the coolest, most badass, funniest thing you've ever seen in your life? Look at it. The words that are on the video are still right here. I don't think you guys are appreciating what's happening, but that is so cool to me. It's like, yeah, okay, there's other people who say what, but I'm calling these trades 13 hours before they happen and live while they're happening. Buy stop, by the way. There's a buy stop. What is this? US 30. We're in a buy stop US 30 position. I'm not getting in it again. I already have too many open. US 30 buy stop right above the green line. Let's see. NAS didn't get low enough to do a buy stop. And not really there. Let me see, 5 minute. We're kind of far away. This is what I want for you guys. If we can do this, all 30 of you on TikTok and 70 of you on YouTube, we will get another buying opportunity if we can get the price action. See, it did right here. It did right here. If we can get it to come down here like this, come back to that 5 minute line, you're all going to be rich again. So what do I mean? I really am going to draw this out again for you so you can be clear on it. I want this indicator right here to turn red. If this indicator that I'm drawing this on turns red, I will make a buy stop call and you guys will all be rich again. You'll be able to make money. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun, but I'm telling you that's what's going to happen. Okay, let me move these down here so they get off our screen. Okay, so these ones, which I predicted 13 hours ago and told you was going to happen before it happened. It wasn't possibly. I said what was going to happen before it happened, and it did. Is going to be the exact same thing now if it happens again when we see this pullback. And we need price to drop down a lot. I want price to pull back now. I would see price to come down a lot, down to this line. So I'm going to leave this funny looking thing right here. I want to see price action, your candles, go down to this green line. If it does, I'll make another buy stop call and you all will make a shit ton of money. It's going to happen. It's just a matter, will it happen while we're on the live, or was it going to happen after I'm off the live? Because I'm going to be going off the live soon. I got people to train. Oh, that's changing, thank God, very, very soon. All right. Thanks for doing this. You're welcome, Kevin. What time at night do I need to be on here learning from you? Oh, you can, Karen, you can ask questions. You can ask 100 questions, ask 1,000 questions. When you ask nicely, that's perfect. When the other fella came in, wasn't asking nicely, I'm not even dealing with that. He was blocked immediately. Thank you for asking nice questions too, by the way. So watch what time of night. I would go over to YouTube and watch all my videos that I do, and I always have training inside those videos. And I'm going to make up a new area where I have a training session videos where I'll have an area where you guys can just go in there and watch the training ones, because I've done dozens and dozens, probably 50 different training videos over the last 6 months, and they're all on YouTube also. So I would do that. And then as far as training itself goes, I'll probably be on again this evening. It'll probably be somewhere. I don't know when my last appointment is. Hold on, let me see. My last appointment. Oh, we ain't got that. It'll be, I don't know if we're going to be doing it or not. We have to take care of some business tonight. So I probably won't be doing training tonight. So I'll have to do that. Looks like it'll probably be Wednesday evening. Official training will probably be Wednesday evening around 7 p.m. will be the training this week. I'm in Vegas. We're enjoying ourselves. Screw all. Buy stop 1 minute. It is officially a buy stop on SPX 1 minute. As a matter of fact, we can throw that in. It's going to go drop further, but you can keep it up here and just wait, move it down as this is your buy stop line. Push it right here. It's SPX right there. NAS not low enough. I can't call. US 30. Oh gosh, what the hell? I'm going to put it up a little higher though, so we don't get caught in this. Don't get caught in US 30. And there's this. Let me go to SPX, and then I'm going to put US 30 over here. Okay. So there we go. All right. Where were we? Hi there. What MA are you using, sir? What's up, Fabrice? Thanks for being so kind and asking nicely. The MA you will learn once you buy the system. We don't give out things here. We don't give out specific things. I would go to YouTube, Karen. It's the safety trade. This thing right here. Right there. And that's where I head to. How often should you pool your profits, and what minimum percentage should you keep in your trading accounts? How many trading accounts should you have after trading 1 month? There's a lot of questions. Tark, you can do anything you want to do, my brother. You're a grown man. I currently have 7 live trading accounts on Eagle FX. I have 2 on Hugo's Way now. I have 1 on Thinkorswim. I have 1 on Pepperstone. I have 1 on Nadex. I have 1 on Tradeovite. So that answers that question. Take profits. You always close one down in profit. Tark, you don't have, does he not have a system? This is all answered when you get to system, by the way, Tark. So just so you're clear on that. Let me lower this down a little bit so we can make it a little bit better. It won't let me. It's going to pop up. So what percentage? There is no such thing as percentages. You do what you feel comfortable with. Some of these accounts I trade with have, I literally traded an account last week that had $6,000 in it. And I have so many open, it's hard to keep track of, to be honest with you. But I had one account that I didn't even know I had that trade in, and we're up $400. That was on a $7,000 account at a 0.09 mark. So anyway, it just lets you know it doesn't matter. Any amount you can do. Okay, thanks, sir. I understand. Yes, Fabrice. Thank you for being so nice. Fabez, if you have any other questions that I can't answer, I will. I promise you. No, no, Hero 96. No. This program is so simple. Oh my gosh, I should have been saying that. So simple that a freaking 5-year-old can do it. Literally right now, I'm going to teach you how it works. Look, right here. It's happening live. Let me move this for you. No. It's so easy. It's color-coded. It is literally color-coded. Let me move this out of the way too. Hold on. Put this down here. All right. All you have to do is see this. Green, red, green, buy stop above here and in. We're a little high up, actually. I should be a little closer with that buy stop. What is this? Is this US 30? No, it's SPX. Should be way closer on that. And look, can't do it on NAS. It doesn't do the same thing. US 30. The US 31, same thing. Green, red, green, buy stop. That's all you have to know. This is the easy. I made it color coded. This is the easiest system you're ever going to trade with in your entire life. That I promise you. It is so easy. It is a joke. It is embarrassing. A 5-year-old can do it. A kindergartner can trade. Well, they can't trade, but they can recognize the pattern. They can see the red doesn't belong. So if you can see green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop above, you wait. Now, did it already happen today so I can show you that? Yeah. Come back to here. Oops, hold on. Right here, it did it. Right here. This is one we're in, actually, right there. Look. This was green, 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 red, and then green, green, put a buy stop above it, and then just watch price action. What it does, it goes up. Watch right here. Zoop, and we're in that trade. And you made money. And simple as that. So yeah, it's very beginners. This program is made for beginners and experienced traders with open minds. If you have a closed mind, don't bother. I don't have time to try to re-educate you. Yes. It's a tool that basically tells you when it's going to bet. That is correct. The stop gap is it? No, it's a buy stop or a sell stop. So you just put that line below the top. If it's a buy stop, you put it right here. Let me show you on SPX. You put it right here, and it's a little. I should have been in this trade already. But see, I've already been in these trades. I've got tons of trades. By the way, you're in the money on your SPX call on this one. You should put it a little close, about a quarter inch away, somewhere around there. Be in that trade. You'd already be in out of the trade. That's 5 pips already, actually. But yeah, that's how you do it. You would open up what's called, I can right click, trade, new order. Then you come over to here, drop down, pending order. And then you come over to here and you do what's called a buy stop like this. Then you move your little line up, zippity doo dah like that. And then you put your place order doop like that. And then you just wait. If you want to be aggressive down low, if you don't want to be way up here. And then that's it. And that's a buy stop. How much is your system, Fabiz? The system's $575 for the year. Right here, you can type it in if you want to get it. Let me grab it right here for you. It is the safety trade system. It's step by step, very, very easy, made for beginners specifically or experienced traders that have an open mind. One word, thesafetytrade.com. Type it all in one word. You pay your $575 for the year. You get indicators that look exactly like mine, Then you can get alerts here, and that's what I would do. And just type in the one word, boop, that's it. Now, how does it work on the rest of this? Let me pull this over here for you. By the way, hold on a second. Yes, you're in the money on your SPX 500. You can close it down. You're in the money on your SPX 500. Even though I got in late, you're in the money and you can close that down. Now, one of the best things also for beginners and experiences is this scanner. So if you get the system and if you want to buy the scanner, you can. It's $50 a month currently going up, by the way. $50 a month for 2 rooms. Boop, boop, boop. Look at that. And you can see see how simple this is? That green arrow says, look at this. Facebook might be a buy on the 1 minute. Matter of fact, we made it so easy. You can take this and it gives you a picture, and it is a buy stop, by the way. But I'd have to confirm that. That's not a confirmation trade right there. That's what it is. We have a scanner that scans over 100 different symbols, stock symbols, cryptos. I'm telling you over and over again, I would never trade crypto without this. It called Bitcoin buy at 16,600 back in January the 3rd. The scanner did. And it calls the sells just like that too. And by the way, it's calling a new buy. Forex, it trades Forex, all your Forex pairs, and it trades your indices, gold and silver included in here. And this one. And it actually literally has, and you can make up your own scanner board. It's just amazing. Look at that. And it tells you when there's a possible trade, EUR, AUD. And what does that up arrow usually mean to everyone out there, even if you don't know how to trade? Yeah, that's what it means. It means a buy or to look for a buy. Makes sense? You're in the money on your US 30. You're in the money on your SPX. You're in the money on your US 30. And you're in the money on your SPX. You could sell both, close one down, leave one open, whatever you want to do. You're welcome. Congratulations. I'm glad you made some more money. All right. So it's basically a tool that helps when you do good. That's what I meant. I kind of get it, actually. The pips I don't get, you're buying into? The pips are just money, how much money you make. Does it work on MT4? What platforms? You made all this. That's mad, bro. Is on MT4. Yes. Let's go over to that. So this is what we're on, all these different things right here. And we are looking at this right here. Let me pull this up for you so you can see. Doop, doop. Right here. I am not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. Laugh my butt off. Demo only. I cannot recommend you trade on it. But if you look over mine, I have 7 different live accounts. This happens to be one of them. Matter of fact, one of my live accounts last Friday, as I mentioned over and over again, I literally made a trade in. I forgot it was open. I was up $440 on Saturday morning, getting getting an alert from my daily alert thing from them from the statement form. And instead of I'm in a trade for $440, like what the hell am I in a trade for $440? But I was. So I closed it out Sunday and made my money. It's funny as fuck. Friday I had a trade open that I even opened. Platform is MetaTrader 4. The broker is Eagle FX. 0.09 is I usually almost always use 0.09. Now, don't ask. It's just a big enough number I can make decent money on, and not too big enough number so I don't get cut on any of my accounts that I have. YouTube channel is the safety trade. I strongly recommend you go over to the safety trade and do that. Strongly recommend it. Learn about the system by typing into Google one word, the safety trade. Beware, we will never contact you first. There are scammer people out there, and we will never contact you first. This person is a scammer right there with a dot in it. I would be if this person tries to contact you, I would report him and block him. He's a complete scam artist right here. And I'll be getting him eventually anyways. He's from Nigeria, but whatever. We'll get him anyways. I'm working on it with an investigator guy. So here you go. That's everything you need to know on where to go and what to do and how to get it. The Safety Trade channel, YouTube channel, has every trade I've ever made for the last 6 months on it. So if you want to see how I do trading, which is pretty much every day the same thing as you're seeing right here live, which is you're in the money again, by the way. You're in the money again. You're in the money again on those trades I just told you about. SPX is in the money very nicely. US 30 is in the money very nicely. Yep. And your US 30 is in the money also. So there you go. Do you see the SPX, how it went up? Someone asked just how the trading system works. You just seen it live with SPX. Green, 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 red. You put your buy stop a little. I should have put it lower, but you're still in the money. And there's your trade. You're up 16, which in this case right here is about 3 to 4 pips. All new beginners should sell. If you're a newbie and you're just learning the system, you've made your 1, 2, 3 pips. You should sell and get out of this trade. Or open up 2, close one down, and keep the other one open. All depends on how you trade it. You're welcome, Fabies. I hope I'm saying your name right, probably slaughtering it. It is on MetaTrader 4. That's what the symbols are coded for. NASGAP filled. Awesome. You made your money on it? Awesome, Sam. Thank you for answering regardless, Kevin. You're welcome, Tark. Not a financial advisor. Absolutely 100% not a financial advisor. We have dozens of financial advisors in this program. Dozens of financial advisors have bought my program. Dozens and dozens of financial advisors have bought my program. I'm not one of them, nor would I ever want to be. I'm good. Remember, I'm the guy right now stuck in a financial loop, so trying to invest has been difficult. Oh, okay, Tark. Trying to save up money for the account. How often should you pull your profits? I already answered all that. Gap filled. Thank you. You're welcome. Thanks, boss. Much appreciated. Oh, that's what I meant. Kind of got it. All right, Hero 96. I hope I answered your questions too. But it is very, 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 very easy. And you just saw it in action. You just saw it make money. It wasn't a lot of money because it's getting a little long and it's too late in the day for me right here. I don't usually like trading this late anyways. I get out around that 11:30 time. I'm done trading. And it is 11:13. Uh-oh. Precious, you asked a question? I'm so sorry. Let me see. Let's see what Precious said. Yes.
Okay.
Correct? Yes, both are correct. Precious knows what she's doing. Precious knows what she's doing. All right, I'm going to leave you guys with this thought on TikTok. If you want to come over to YouTube for a second, feel free. I'm going over to my YouTube channel right now just for the final little bit because I can talk a little freer there than I can on TikTok. You should head over to YouTube. It's the Safety Trade. Head over there, and then you can ask some more questions directly, and I can answer them more directly than I can on TikTok. TikTok's a little silly. You're about to see all this go up. Oh, I might as well wait for it. Jiminy Christmas. Hold on. You're about to see US 30, NAS 100 for like the 20th time today go up. SPX is going to go up. US 30 is going to go up. And I'm going to leave you here with that thought. And I'm going to rewrite this. So this is the last ones I left you on, which was a 5-minute buy stop. Can we get to 5-minute yet? Nope. All right. This is what we're going to do. You're in the money again on SPX. You're in the money again on US 30, just so we're clear. But I'm going to go ahead and draw this out for you because maybe it'll happen. I'm going to take this off from the previous one. Now, what I want to see happen is this. Let me be specific. I'm going to leave you guys with a drawing. I want price to come up, price to come over, and price to go up on the 5-minute. Okay. Whether it does it or not, I don't know, but I don't have time to say I got too much training. I want this indicator to turn red. This is for SPX, NAS, and US 30. It's going to be green, 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 red, green, green. It's going to come down, re-challenge, retouch, come below, and come back up again. This is on US 30 5-minute, NAS 5-minute, and SPX 5-minute, okay? In the meantime, I don't know if it's going to do that. I think it's just going to shoot back up again. But eventually, you might get the opportunity for this to happen. So if this happens on the 5-minute, we're all rich. If it doesn't happen on the 5-minute, well, you're only going to be rich for what you already been in, which is a good bit of money. Look at this shit. Wow, it's too far away. It needs to pull back. But at any rate, you're in good money profit on your SPX. You could take that out again. You're welcome. Now, look at it. This is exactly what happened on this one right here. You can see it came down, re-challenged right here. I put my line in. We're in the money on SPX. Who's in the money on SPX? Everybody who bought this little thing in where I told you to get in at, you're in the money on SPX. So yay. All right. 1-minute buy stops. Let me write this out when we talk. I'm telling you what's going to happen before it happens. Lord willing, we'll see. I want a 1-minute BS buy stop. And then I want the 1 minute play the sell stop to blue line. Then you're going to see it go then 5-minute. And if you don't understand what all this means, don't worry about it. Buy stop. That's what's going to do short term-ish, short term, medium term. All right. That's for all 3 indices, by the way, all 3 indices that we track and we do with, which is NAS, which is SPX, which is US 30. All right. Now, if you don't understand it, I can draw it out again. But basically, I expect it to go up at least short term for you guys. Then I expect this 1 minute to start to drop. How far is it going to drop? It's going to pull back to this right here, about there. It's going to pull back to the 5-minute line right here, this 5-minute MA, and then you're going to see it go up again. You'll see this turn red on this indicator right here or close to it. I don't know if we're going to get that drop. I think it's going to go up before then, to be honest with you. I don't think we're going to get a drop. Damn, you're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on SPX. See, I just told you that. I don't know if you're going to get this drop or not. I think it's just going to go up, but we're trying. So 1-minute buy stop anyways. Then in 1 minute, if you can see those sell stop down, play it if you can. All right, TikTok, I'm out the door. I'm leaving you in the money on the last 2 trades, up $33 on US 30, $23 on SPX, and you're in the money on all those trades. Okay. What time do you start, Kev? What's up, Mad? CDXX. I start this morning was 8:36 this morning Eastern Standard Time. I'm usually on, I don't know, 9:30 in the morning, sometimes 5:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. It all depends. I would go over to my YouTube channel, sign up for the alerts, because as soon as I go live, you'll get the alert. An alert there is better than any alerts we send out. So I would go over to my YouTube channel, do a subscribe to it, and then get the alerts from there, sign up for full alerts on that. Okay. All right, guys. See you on TikTok. Oh, damn, you're in the money. There you go. Let me pull this off. I was not going to pull. I knew it wasn't going to do it. You could see it was just too high. Here it is. Look at this trade I just called for you. Green, 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 red, green, green. It's in the money. You're up $131. You're up $157. You guys see, did you guys just not catch this trade for you? Did you not just catch this trade for you? You're up $200. Look at it go up before your very eyes. TikTok and YouTube. Look at it go up. $200, $219, $230, $40 on your SPX, $200, $800 on the 2 prior to that, $800 on the front, $1,000 before that, $1,000 before that. Look at the money you just made just by a minute ago when I called these trades. I just left you with it. I just said I'm leaving at this one thing. 1 minute buy stop. I literally just called this trade for you. You would have been up $200. Literally just left it right here. Called you with the 1 minute buy stop. Just wrote it out. Does everyone see that? There you are. You're in the money. 1 minute buy stop. And there's your money. This happened on US 30 and this happened on SPX. I couldn't call NAS. It didn't drop enough for me to call NAS. And let's see, we're going to mark this here and put that right there. Doop. US 30. I'm probably just going to leave it down here. Someone give it a little room to breathe. All right, did everyone just see that where you made money? So unreal about the system if you're on the fence. Thank you, Stacy. Everyone caught that. Mag, CDX, Fabiz, did you catch this? Just called it for you guys live. Hero, did you catch that? I hope you all caught that. We just made $200, $300 or $20, $30, $40, depending if you're doing SPX. Whatever you're doing, did you catch that? No, that's fine. Whatever. Don't answer. All right. Made y'all money. Thank you. God bless. See you on TikTok. Bye. All right. Now, YouTube. Does anybody on YouTube have any questions? YouTube. This clown here is still on. I would prefer if you guys head over to TikTok and report this Kev's Trading .777, the 3 7s. He is a scam artist. He took $600 from one of our fellow members. Scam artist. Scam artist. Beware of scammers. We will never contact you first. Remember that. So if you go over to TikTok on YouTube, please do that. Report him. Appreciate it. Thank you. You're welcome, brother. Love it, Metal. Every day, USA Graphics every day. This is trading nirvana, says McCain. Thank you. I don't have FOMO, no mo. That should be your song, Metal Mind. Zane, I caught it, Kev. I did 2,000 up, brother, said Metal Mind. Yes, thanks. Sam, Tanny, thanks, Kevin Bri. All right, guys. If anyone else has any questions, they'll start live training today. 100% 8 trades. Thanks, Kevin Bri. Oh, Golfer Girl. Yay, started live training today or trading. 100% 8 trades. Nice. Awesome job. Waleed, have a great day. Thank you, Waleed. You too, brother. Tanny, thanks, Kevin Bri. Thank you, Tanny. You're welcome. Sam, UK, yes, I did. Travis, setting up to Blue Line would be absolutely amazing. And screw the scammers. Yep, I know, right? All right, guys. Anybody have any questions, though, for me? Anyone at all? YouTube questions going once. YouTube questions going twice. I'm leaving you guys with this thoughts right here so you can't mess up. Oh, and there still is a 4-hour sell stop in place for all indices. And of course, we're in a buy, so it doesn't matter, but there's this buy. All right. No questions. Amazing seeing your work, Tark. You're welcome. Peter P says, thank you, Kev and Bri. USA Graphics says, no questions. All right, guys. Let me see if I can see where the hell to log out of this damn thing. Let's see. Nope. Oh, this one right here. Okay. All right. See y'all maybe tonight. Probably not. I don't know. And we'll see how tomorrow rolls too. Anyway, God bless you all. Thanks for the support and love. Remember, those buy stops are coming. And then hopefully we see that pull back to the 5-minute line right here. We can get you in again. If that happens, I might come back on again and try to give you guys a heads up on that if I can. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless.